Hello, good evening. How's it going? Tonight we're gonna be interviewing. We're gonna be talking to Renmark. Renmark to. Oh, Haki sir, aren't you streaming right now? But thank you for visiting. Congratulations on your 300 followers as well. Thank you for visiting, even if you're streaming. Thank you so much. Uh, I'm actually a little bit underprepared today, but let's see. Let's just wing it. But yeah, we're gonna be talking to Renmark To today, and it's gonna be about Ragnarok Pinas and being a streamer in Ragnarok Pinas, plus like builds, character builds, like farming. Renmark To is RMT, so um, Renmark is bound to be very very good at finding ways to farm Zenny or farm items. So that's gonna be the topic for today, for tonight. Talking about it. And hello Yuki, how are you? So that's the topic, like farming locations, strategies, for newbies, for new players, like literally new players, and fresh players that is just coming to the server. I've been seeing like some newbies that are really like new and new to the server or really new to Ragnarok Online. So we'll be asking Renmark some tips, and hopefully uh, we'll get some good advice from. I heard, or like what I researched on, is that Renmark To is actually one of the few streamers that was there for Ragnarok Pinas since day one. So this will be an interesting podcast. Probably, hopefully. Hello Ray, how are you? I hope okay, we're not. Hello Jazzy. Thank you for the Anubis. Yeah, it's gonna be Ragnarok talk. Dave, thank you. Thank you for dropping by as well. But I'm also waiting for Renmark to reply right now. God smile. Did you like send? Did you send it? I saw it from Hackister stream, but you haven't submitted it yet, I think. But I saw your question from. I saw that question. I'm sorry, Infram. It's not working still. You don't need, that's not working. That's not working. I'm gonna give it back to you. Don't worry. I don't have the current. I don't have the overlay for that. No. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Definitely gonna do that tomorrow or later. I'm really sorry. It's a scam, yeah. Kuyaden PH, thank you so much for following. I hope you're having a great night tonight. Okay, let's hope that Renmark will reply. Let's hope Renmark will gonna reply. I mean, you will receive it back. I think I can send it back. Yeah, actually, since we're waiting for Renmark, let me open the giveaway right now. Hold on. Reset giveaway. Okay, the giveaway should be up right now. Does Renmark gonna talk in English? actually, I asked Renmark to like, he can speak freely if he wants it to be English or in Tagalog, but he said, of course, English. He said, of course, English. So let's see if he will talk in English tonight. Let's see. But maybe if he will speak in English, it will take a lot of time. We're gonna be here for a while. Where's Kosa? I'm waiting for a reply. It seems Kosa is not there yet. I'm waiting for Kosa's reply right now. He's online though. Maybe he's busy playing Deadlock. I don't know. Maybe Kosa is playing Deadlock right now. Also, the giveaway is open. So, yeah. You can join now if you want to join my giveaway. Um, you need to redeem the reward, the 250 ticket slash gift box giveaway. You redeem that and type your IGN so you can enter the giveaway right now. Oh yeah, thank you for the shoutouts, Hagster. I didn't see it, but right now, Infram Blue, I'm on Grass, and Hagster. Yeah, those. Oh wait, is that the only one? Cyper. Okay, Cyper. Who else? Okay, right now it's Cyper, Hagster, Mongrass, and Infram Blue. Currently is the one who's entered the giveaway. God smile, thank you. Let me try calling Remark. I hope. Maybe he's playing Deadlock right now because it's just turned 7 o'clock. Or like, I mean 6 p.m. in the Philippine PH. Renmark, please. We're gonna be here for a while. Thank you, Jazzy. Triple Z, Jazzy. I hope Admin High would message you and reply to you. And also, I think Valerian and Isa, I hope they get their reply from Admin High soon. So you can start streaming now. Wait, Azazel XD, you're playing? You're playing, Dave? Thank you for entering. Aranak, thank you for entering. You lost hope already? Joke. Yes, I play Gadoy. What? Really? Join our guild. Go join our guild. The Collective Shower Guild. Join the Collective Shower Guild. Wait. Oh, hello, Renmark. Hello, can you hear me? Yeah, I think so. Hold on, let me. Okay, Renmark is here. Hold on. Again, we're gonna be interviewing Renmark to, and he's basically a professional in Ragnarok Online already. So, and one of the pioneers in Ragnarok Pinas. Hello, Ruti. Thank you so much for coming. So yeah, Renmark is basically one of the pioneers in Ragnarok Pinas, and we'll be asking about how to be a streamer in Ragnarok and like how you farm in Ragnarok, and also what builds can a newbie or a very new player or like a first, very new in Ragnarok Online do, some tips from the master. So let me just set that up if it's working. Okay. What are you doing there, Renmark? Yeah.
Hello, guys.
Yeah. Okay. Hello, Renmark.
Hello,
Say hi to the community. Yeah.
Ayan, hi. Gandang gabi. Ayan. Gandang gabi. Hindi ako sanay sa interview eh.
Say hi, chat, to Renmark.
Yeah.
Yeah. RMT.
Yan, yay ko sa yan. Shoutout sa inyo.
Great. Thank you, Sister with Wings, for the follow. I really appreciate that. Yeah. So, do you want to explain, like, give a bagong gising?
Ano ba?
Are you good morning?
Actually, yes. Bagong gising ako.
Oh, okay.
Tama ang hula. Okay, tama ang hula. Bagong gising tayo.
Yeah.
Kasi, alam nyo naman, napakasipag ko mag-farm.
Yeah, that's true. Actually, I heard from Kosa. We talked like in the afternoon, and he said like he was fighting fate. Am I correct? Like you were trying to
Yung
fight fate. Yeah.
Yeah, ako may gamit nung kay Maple.
Oh,
Kung
really?
alam niyo yung yung All Might. Ako may pilot kanina.
Earring check. Yeah.
So, ayun.
So tell us about yourself. Tell the community about yourself, like about Ragnarok
Yes.
Pinas. Yeah.
Ragnarok Pinas, yan. Try ninyo. Tagal na yung server. Okay yung community. Pero inaayos yung ngayon, economy. Medyo may mga nagmamadali. Yung mga nagmamadali magbenta yan. Sana guys, huwag niyo madaliin masyado.
Okay.
So,
What,
yun.
what about you, Kosa? What do you like? Tell us about yourself.
Ako, wala lang, streamer, full-time streamer, tapos, yan, nag-stream din sa ibang servers, tapos yun lang, sa bahay lang lagi, tapos kung gusto nyo mag-shot, yan, iyaya lang kayo. Yan, makikita nyo ako, usually naman makakasama ko rin, kung hindi ko streamer ko, mga, mga players din, for example yan, si Kulas, lagi kong kasama sila Kulas, sila Dread, yan. Tapos minsan sa stream, nagiinom din. Next time, abangan ninyo pag nakapunta akong Japan. Sishid na yung kainuman ko.
drunk Ragnarok stream.
Oh,
I don't do
oh.
that though, but we can do that when you arrive here, probably. Sure. Yeah. So why Ragnarok? Why do you actually like started with Ragnarok?
Ragnarok kasi yung pinaka-favorite kong game. Starting bago pa nung pandemic no, nagkakilala tayo. Hindi pa talagang RO na talaga yung nilalaro ko. Naglalaro man ako ibang games pero more on Ragnarok ako lalo nung high school ko talaga. And pati yung elementary nga ata eh. Elementary nag-start na ako mag-RO so matanda na ako 33. So starting elementary nag-RO na tapos after ko ng cutting days, cutting days.
Yeah.
Cutting days. Ayan, after ng cutting days, after nun, yun, dun tayo medyo naging batak sa private server. Dati nakikipag champ vs champ, may hilig pa tayo dyan. Pero after nun, medyo nag-relow na tayo sa champ vs champ eh. Yung mga PvP scene, medyo naging farmer tayo eh.
RMT? Are you doing RMT already like in the past?
Hindi ko alam yung RMT tol eh.
Oh, okay. No need to be like...
ano po yung RMT? Hindi ko kasi baka pwedeng pa-explain or anything. Hindi ko po kasi talaga, hindi malinaw sa akin yung RMT na yan. So, hindi ko talaga alam.
Yeah. Speaking about, let's talk about the RMT like later, but speaking, you said like you've been like, you're playing in 2 servers right now, right? But in the past, you're also been streaming like a lot of different servers. Yeah. I got a question from someone like in the community. Like,
okay.
In Tagalog, it's paano ka nakakapag-stream ng maraming servers ng RO na neutral lang yung opinion mo towards each server?
Okay. Kasi hindi for a streamer kasi lalo na kung paid ka. Mahirap na siraan mo ang isang server. Lalo na kung alam mong pwede mo silang maging amo in the future. Para sa akin yun, nasa side ko yun. Side ko yun. As a normal streamer na, alam mo yun, kailangan, siguro hindi siya affected sa ibang sikat na streamer kasi sila talagang kinukuha. Pero yung kaming mga, alam nyo yun, yung hindi kami ganun kasikat yet, kailangan namin na hindi kami pwedeng mambash or tama ng direct dun sa server na yun. Kasi nga, in the future, hindi naman natin alam kung hanggang saan yung server na currently na nilalaroan ko. And uulitin ko, ito yung work ko. So, hindi ako pwede basta-basta. Kaya kailangan neutral lang talaga yung reactions ko or yung bitaw ko. Kasi baka mamaya, di natin malaman, Baka mamaya yung server na 'tong pinaglalaruan ko, for example, yung dalawang server na nilalaruan ko, mag-down. And then yung tinrush talk ko na server, mag-up, 'di ba?
Okay.
Ako naman yung magiging nandun sa alanganin na, "Uy, paano ka gagalaw? Uy, paano ako makukuha?" 'Di ba?
Um,
Siyempre, tapos tinrush talk mo yung taong yun, 'di
okay.
ba? For sure yun sa tingin mo, 'di ba, parang magdadalawang isip sila na kunin ka, 'di ba? Para sa akin yun, kasi ako hindi naman ako sikat para pag-agawan. Not like the other streamers siguro na sila pinag-aagawan, puwede nilang gawin yun.
Thank you, Ninong A, for the follow. Uh, oh yeah, yeah, I understand that, but sometimes like, don't you like feel like isn't like feedback not really like what do you call it, the pangbabash? It's like you're giving feedback, like good criticism. Isn't it okay for a
Ah,
streamer?
okey naman siya, pero kasi minsan kasi, ang mangyayari dun sa streamer kasi,
Hmm.
wala naman kasi kaming literal na control kung ano yung
Yeah.
plano ng owner.
Okay.
So
Yes.
ang nangyayari, mag-advertise lang talaga kami. Hindi naman din
Oh,
namin kasalanan kung ida-down nung may-ari. Alam mo yun? So, limited yung aming movement, 'di ba?
I see. So
Yung
since you're paid,
Tsaka,
like, yeah, okay.
since our paid, siyempre limited lang din kami, hindi naman kami puwede siyempre paid kami tapos alam mo 'yun, may ginawa na desisyon yung server na hindi namin gusto,
Yeah.
tapos sasabihin namin puwede kami mag-suggest, pero
Okay.
hindi 'yun susundin nung may-ari. Puwede yung hindi
Okay.
sundin kasi
Yeah, yeah,
may-ari
yeah,
'yun,
yeah. It's a
tauhan
suggestion.
lang
I
kami, 'di
understand
ba?
that. Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Masa-suggest mo lang siya pero hindi mo siya puwedeng, "Ito dapat ginawa mo boss." 'Di ba parang puta, mag-o one step forward ka ng gano'n,
Yeah,
puta.
yeah. It's like
Puwede
you're
mo i-suggest
backseating.
pero
It's not good.
puwede mo puwede mo i-suggest pero hindi mo siya puwedeng i-demand na gawin mo 'to.
Yeah, yeah,
Lalo
yeah.
na kung yung pangalan mo hindi naman din gano'n kabigat, hindi ka naman sikat talaga sobra, ta's magde-demand ka ng 'di ba kung gano'n. So masisira ka dun din sa ano. Kaya nga minsan inaano ko 'pag
Mm.
ano, 'pag kunyari may mga bash na lagi, wala naman kaming magagawa. Parang sa artista guys, sa tingin niyo ba for example yung mga artista, yung kinuha nilang ano, yung mga I mean yung mga
I
artista,
think I know what
'di
you're
ba
talking about, but
'di ba kunyari 'di ba, mamimili sila ng brand ba, 'di ba kunyari may trabaho na, pipiliin pa ba nila yun? Kaysa
mm,
kumita pa.
oh, wait, let me
Kunyari 'di
just
ba, nagkaroon ng issue sa GMA, nandun yung mga artista, oh 'di ba?
mm,
Parang wala naman din silang magagawa. Yung iba nga 'di ba
mm,
nilulunok na lang yung pride.
yeah, that's
Kasi
true.
work, eh.
It's all because of you're being paid, and
Oo.
yeah,
Pero kung hobby mo lang siya,
yeah,
puwede.
you're
Puwede
like
ka talagang
being
mam-bash. Sa tingin ko kung hobby ko lang 'to guys, putang ina, alam na. Kunyari hindi 'to yung source of income ko, tapos
mm.
wala akong ay kahit mabangga na lahat ng server owner.
Maybe you can ask admin.
Hindi.
Maybe you can ask admin, hi, like, can I bash you, or like, can I give my
Hindi.
feedback? Please don't, you know,
Hindi,
don't
'di
ban
ba?
me.
Totoo 'yun. Kasi 'pag ikaw yung streamer tapos hindi mo naman alam din yung I mean yung future kasi hindi mo alam kung anong mangyayari, hindi mo alam kung puwedeng mag-down 'tong server na nilalaruan mo.
Yeah,
Tapos
yeah.
yung nilalaruan yung sinasabi mong binash mo na server,
Mm,
yun naman yung nag-down, 'di ba?
yeah.
Ay, yun naman yung sumikat.
Okay.
Kasi 'di ba parang kanya-kanyang time lang naman 'yan, eh. 'Di ba nung nakaraan iba naman yung sikat, tapos yung ngayon iba
Mm,
naman din yung sikat,
yeah,
tapos
yeah,
sa
yeah.
susunod iba naman yung sikat na server.
Yeah.
Kumbaga may kanya-kanyang click 'yan. So, mahirap mang-bash baka mamaya hindi ka makuha dun sa future, 'di ba? Gets mo 'yun? Kasi baka
Yeah.
mamaya yung sikat na server tapos dun mo gusto mag-ano, mag-apply.
Yeah.
Tangina yung owner sasabihin nun, "Tangina nito ni Renmark ang kapal ng mukha mag-a-apply sa'kin ngayon." Tapos sasabihin na dinown ko daw yung server ko ng ilang 'di ba alam niyo yun?
I feel like that happened Like literally happened. Like you experience that. I feel like you're coming from something.
Wala pa naman. Pero parang minsan parang nafe-feel mo. Lalo na kung yung may nasabi ka isang bagay sa isang server na hindi mo naman sinasadya. Parang neutral reaction mo lang. Uy, down na nga pala yung kasabay na server nung ganyan. Di ba? Tapos minsan nandun yung owner nanonood. Siyempre puta, sakit sa akin yun. Ina mo, Renmark, abangan mo yan. Alalahanin ko yan pag nag-up ako. Parang ganun ba? Yung mga ganun. Medyo,
you won't be paid here because of what happened.
Asa ka pagdating ng nag-apply ka sa akin. Diba? Parang sabi ko, shit, nga no. Kaya minsan, pag nag-ano sa akin, may nagbabash, nasa gitna lang ako.
Yeah, but in my opinion, I'm not a paid streamer or anything.
Ikaw, pwede.
Yeah, I'm not a paid streamer or anything, but I feel like if a server is good, if the server owner is good, I feel like any feedback that you give should be accepted by them. As long as it's constructive criticism or constructive feedback. But
pero minsan kasi
yeah.
Parang butthurt sila eh. Pag may nasabi kang hindi, real talk lang yung mga owners, alam niyo yan pag may nasabi yung streamer na minsan may parang na-hurt sila na parang ngayon mga na bawian ko to sometimes kung kailan or kailan ko pwedeng, 'di ba? Sa susunod na pag-up ko. Meron.
Yeah. Okay.
Natatamaan yung ego nila.
Natatamaan yung ego nila or out of nowhere servers down. Yeah, that's why there's like a 3-month server like phrase in Ragnarok. So
nabuhay yung mga code na yan, yung 3-month rules ng magjojowa nilipat sa server sa 3-month rule eh.
Jazzy said like naranasan ko yan sa sobrang ganyan ko naban ako sa server nila. Oh my. Oh, that's kind of
kaya mabigat siya. Paano pa if katulad ko na alam niyo yun, doon ako kumikita.
Yeah.
Diba? Mahirap. Kaya ganun ako sumagot sa mga pag kunyari may nagsasabi ng regarding sa server. Kung ano ba masasabi mo sa ganyang server? Ano masasabi mo? Wala. Hindi ko kayang magsalita ng direct to the point. Hanapin niyo ako sa ibang Discord. Putang ina, kaya ko mag-trash talk dun sa server. Hindi, joke lang.
Speaking of... Kosa may laman yan. Okay. Speaking about streaming, like, there are a lot of streamers right now in Ragnarok Pinas, right? Like, there's a lot of... I have a friend like Jazzy or... like Valerian or Isa, like there are like slowly they're going. Ragnarok Pinas is going to be Ragnarok International kind of thing now. So what like for fresh streamers, I heard from Nani today as well. Like Roel, do you know Roel? Do you know Roel? Oh, anyway, Roel is like already a player in Ragnarok Pinas, and they're trying to start streaming as well. Daddy G as well, a friend of Hackister. They're trying to start streaming. Any advice from like streamers to be, co-Ragnarok streamers?
Tropa nyo si Hackister. No, tropa nila. Tama
not really
ba?
sure, but I think Daddy G is one. I'm not really sure.
Unang-una, bago kayo sa server, pag magdo-donate kayo, gamitin yung streamer code ko. Yun yung number 1. Okay? Number 1 yun. Okay? Second, hingi kayo ng pang-umpisa.
Okay, streamer code.
Hackister. Okay, streamer code number 1. Tapos yung number 2,
okay,
kailangan mangburaot kayo kay kay Hackister na lang. Mas mabilis yun, guys. Okay? Hindi, joke lang. Kung mag-uumpisa kayo, pwede kayo gumawa ng card huntings. Kasi yung mga characters ngayon na mga old players, they're after the unlocks na and depot. So, for example, Hydra. Okay? Yung mga card na yan, Hydra.
Yeah.
Ay, hindi. Actually, wag yung Hydra pala kasi may unlock si Hydra eh. For sure, in-hunt yan ng mga unlocks. So, ang i-target nyo, yung mga depot pala. yung mga depot cards na alam yung hindi kailangan patayin ng mahirap. O for example, skill worker. Okay, isa na yun skill worker. Okay?
Maybe I should put like a redeem reward so that, you forces Kosa to speak in English for 1 minute and it's something.
Uy, Jin, wala sa usapan yung English
No.
Nasakalin kita. Mamaya, my nose is bleeding. Let's group ourselves to 10.
Paano po maging kasing yaman at lakas mo, Kosa? And someone is asking
Actually, guys, eto kailangan nyo lang maging friendly. Sa totoo lang. To be honest, nag-start ako sa RO Pinas until, Until siguro mga last 3 months lang. Isipin nyo 2 taon na yung RO Pinas. 3 months lang ako nag-ayos ng item. Okay? 3 months 3 months.
Oh, really?
Ang tagal ko na naglalaro pre. Ako lang ata sa panot di ba nagpanot ako dati? Ako lang ata sa panot ang hindi
Panot is a guild, right?
Panot guild. Yeah. Sorry. Baka mamaya may matamaan na
just for reference.
Okay guys, okay. Baka kasi may tamaan sa inyo na panot dyan, okay. Yung inaano ko, yung panot kasi ako dati, panot guild ako dati, okay.
Okay.
Ako lang sa panot ata ang hindi nakapag stupset sa WoE Ang panot ang pinaka may hawak dati ng KOE.
Oh, really? I didn't know that because I haven't it's just my first month here.
Wala ka pa ata.
Yeah.
Panot dati ang may yung may hawak lagi ng KOE nun. And ako lang yung hindi ata nakabuo ng punyetang subset na yan. Dahil sa sobrang tamad ko, guys, hindi ako nagfa-farm ng pang-patch, hindi ako nagfa-farm ng kung ano. Basta ang ginagawa ko, 2 hours stream lang. Tapos kung ano lang yun, hindi ako nagfa-farm hindi ako nagpa-plus ng gamit, guys.
Okay. So you're, well, they're saying that you're still panot, but, yeah.
Well, grabe kayo, hindi naman mataas yung line ko.
What do you advise from the streamers? Doing unlocks and stuff, being nice? What do you, suggest?
Pwede. Kung talagang starting kayo from scratch, pwede nyo ipakita yon. Kunyari, nagfa-farm kayo ng Immortal Heart, nagfa-farm kayo ng stem. Yun kasi yung mga importante sa WoE na binibili yan, na mabilis lang kunin. Okay. Stem, Immortal Heart, ano pa ba? May mga cards yan, katulad nga nung yung Skeleton Worker, Skeleton Archer, yan, mga binibili yan, yung mga yung mga depot cards na yan. Poring nga, binibili din eh.
Poring? Really? Okay. So, what do you want to say? What do you want to
add? Isa pa pala. Yeah. Kailangan nyo pa maging friendly. Huwag kayong maghanap ng haters nyo, guys. Maghanap lang kayo ng mga tropa nyo. To be honest, ang daming mababait na, na mga whalers sa RO Pinas na naghahanap sila minsan ng pilot or let's say ng mga laro nila na minsan mismong account nila ipapahiram sa'yo, items ipapahiram sa'yo. Okay, wag nyo lang kunin Pinapahiram guys, meaning ko doon hiram lang talaga literal. Para may gamitin kayo para sa mga starter. Lalo na yung ibang streamer. Ano ba to?
Yeah.
Gusto kasi ng mga ibang ng mga ibang players o para magka-content ka, pinapahiram nila. Literal, isang buong set.
Okay.
Ganun yung literal na yun na ganun ka babait yung players dito sa RO Pinas.
Yeah. Someone is asking about how much is the Zenny, but there's a rule here in Pinas that you should only message in
guys, bawal na po kasi nga sa reason why ng mga pagaganyan na pag pinopost yung Rush Zenny, mura, madali kausap, hindi nyo napapansin biglang bumababa yung price ng Zenny. Ang hirap kasi pataasin yan, guys.
Yeah,
yung economy.
Yeah.
Hindi po talaga yan nilalabas. Kasi ang mangyayari dyan, pag namin nagpo-post ng presyo niyan, mga kosa, kunyari nag-post kayo ng presyo, unlimited yan mga kosa, magpapababaan yan.
Yeah.
As in, dire-diretso yan. hanggang mabenta nila. Kaya yan hindi dapat kinakalat. Kasi minsan, for example, ako, si Shin, ang benta ko kay Shin 200 per M, ganun, di ba? O kaya 300 per M dun sa kabila. Paano? Kaya tinatago yan, guys. Kasi pag alam ng lahat ng tao yan, yung presyo, kunyari,
report.
nagbababaan. Okay, bumababa, kunyari. For example, sinabi ni Nani, selling 100 selling 100 M.
Yeah.
For example lang to sasabihin niya 2 pesos per M. Okay?
Oh, wow.
2 pesos per M sasabihin niya. For example lang, 2 pesos.
Yeah.
Tapos mamaya si Finn, sasabihin niya, akin 1 peso per M na lang. Di ba? Ganun. So for sure, yung susunod doon na mas gusto niyang mabenta yung sasabihin niya, sige, ina 0.5 na lang sa akin per M. Yung parang magpapababaan.
Yeah.
Ngayon magkukos yun na bumaba ng dire-diretso yung
It's like crab mentality, but
Oo. Yung para mabenta lang.
Goodbye, this is my last stream. Yeah.
Pero guys, kung iisipin ninyo, kung lahat ng players mag-stick lang sa price, i-hold lang.
Yeah.
Bibilin pa rin naman yan kahit ganun yung presyo eh. Kunyari, kung nilagay natin, hindi kasi pwede magsabi talaga ng presyo, guys.
You don't need to. You don't need to. You don't wanna risk your job, but yeah. Someone is asking, nakakuha ka naman ng earrings. Also, someone also asked like, how is Stapo? How is Stapo? How are you with Stapo?
Wala na, 1 month na ako doon, guys, sa card na yun. Minsan may mga card na, alam niyo yun, guys, may card na hindi para sa'yo, tapos may card na hindi mo naman inaasahan, binibigay naman sa'yo. Totoo yun, totoo, guys. Kahit anong, kahit anong costume, kahit anong bubblegum ko, yung earrings, guys, siguro nakaano ko doon, BBG box is 5 hours, di ba? Aabutin.
Yeah, like Lolly Ruri of Nani as well. Like, Nani's been streaming in Lolly Ruri and never get any card yet there, which is very unfortunate as well. The same as your Stapo.
Minsan may card na para sa'yo pero nakuha ng tropa mo.
Yeah.
Issue yan Issue yan. Wala akong alam dyan
Yeah.
Issue yan
That really happens.
Wala akong alam dyan, guys. Wala akong alam dyan.
Speaking of, like, maybe you're banned already. Can you try and check your account and like probably go beside me?
Hindi ako naglalaro ngayon. Hindi ako naglalaro.
Okay.
Nagpa-pilot yung kapatid ko. Binigyan kong trabaho yung kapatid ko.
Okay. Let's talk about Admin High. Admin High.
Si Admin.
Yeah. What is your first impression? Like, you've been the pioneer, right? You've been starting, like, you started streaming as the Pinas started,
lang muna
right?
kung nag-send na muna siya ng sahod. Pag nag-send na siya ng sahod, pwede na ako magsalita ng pangit.
Oh my God.
Eka, tignan mo muna.
Redlock is literally checking it.
Okay guys, nakakuha na pala ako ng sahod. Pwede naman trash talk.
Yeah.
Kaya ano ba?
Yeah, what is your first impression? Like, you started streaming in Ragnarok Pinas on their opening, I think, as well, right?
To be honest, guys, mabait si Hay.
Yeah.
Mabait na stricto. Yan, totoo to Mabait na stricto. Literal. Mabait na stricto. Mabait kasi may time na umalis ako sa RO Pinas.
Yeah,
kasi mas may malaking offer, okay? May mas malaking offer. Nasa RO Pinas ako. Nagpaalam ako ng maayos. GM, baka pwedeng muna ako, alis ako. Kasi sabi ko may malaking offer. And si GM nagsabi din na hindi na siya magka-counter offer. Kasi baka mamaya mangyari yung dun sa Zenny. Yung magpataasan naman. Mas gusto ko yun.
Yeah.
Hindi naman nangyari. So, ang nangyari nun, pinili ko syempre yung kung saan ako kikita. And nagpaalam ako ng maayos kay GM. GM,
okay.
Sabi ko, alis muna ako kasi may mas malaking offer. Tapos sabay sabi ni GM, sige, no problem. Magsabi ka lang kung kailan ka babalik. Sabi niya gano'n. Anytime, sabi niya gano'n. Kaya sobrang mabait si GM, guys. Mabait si GM. Pero, stricto
Pero,
siya.
okay.
Stricto siya. Okay, doon tayo sa stricto naman. Yung
Yes.
pagka-stricto niya is literal na stricto siya. Pag sinabi niya, sinabi niya. Kaya, kung mapapansin ninyo, yung makukulit dito sa... Isipin nyo bakit yung mga streamer, kahit anong mangyari, hindi makakulit dito. Kasi may isang salita si Hai na pinupush niya talaga yun. Na kunyari, may ginawa kang mali. Kita nyo naman eh, wala naman nakakuha ng second chance dito ata na unban ah. Wala naman ata dito sa RO Pinas na na-unban.
Actually, I think I also saw like in the morning there was something like a drama in the morning. And
yung kanina ata.
I was there, I think. And something happened.
Yung ata, yung sa ano, yung sa Rush ata. Yung sa Rush
yeah, there's
selling
also
brand.
about Rush selling, but I think there was some talks in Maine, like a bit of a toxicity, and I heard that admin High banned that person. So yeah, I kind of see that it's very strict.
Guys, yung pinakaiwasan nyo, yung pangit ang gising ni Hai, tapos kumulit pa kayo ng sabay. Meron talaga kayo.
Someone is asking, like Hitman is asking, like, how much did you like got from? You don't need to say it if you don't want to.
Hindi. Tangina mo, Hitman, bebenta ko tong karakter mo, si Raulo ka. Guys, for sale po yung yung All Might na karakter, kompleto pang MVP. Tangina, 1K lang, Rush.
Wait. Don't say that. You shouldn't say that.
Ayaw nga pala. Sorry. Ang makulit kasi Hitman eh.
You're gonna get counterbanned by that. From that.
Sira ulo ka. Sa aking account mo, nagbubusis ka dyan. Selling. GBH. Rush. Kakakuha lang kay Europa. Ay, sorry.
Okay. Are you here, A out there? Okay. Yeah. So we can move on. With we can move on. Like about Ragnarok Pinas. All in all, I heard that there's like a lot of newbies, not newbies that are fresh in Ragnarok Online, Ragnarok Pinas, but Ragnarok Online itself. So you get what I mean? Yeah. So what do you like? What can you suggest? You know, how can you like? Yeah, how can you like advertise that? You know.
Actually, nakakatuwa kasi yung question mo, pasok yan dun sa sa kapatid ko.
Yeah, who's the newbie here in chat? By the way, who's the newbie here?
Kapatid ko guys, ito yung sa mga hindi nakakaalam, yung kapatid ko kasi it's ano na siya, college siya. Okay? And gusto niyang mag-earn and sabi ko mag-Ragnarok ka. Ang mga laro
See, there's like 3 people that are new. Yeah.
Nagre-reply sa akin yung kapatid ko. Alam niyo kung anong sabi sa akin? Bet. Putang ina, sabi ko ano yung bet? Magsusugal tayo? Puta, yung pala yung mga term nila na parang all right, copy. Yun yung ano nila, bet. Putang ina, sabi ko parang gago to. Putang ina. Hindi, bunso kasi namin yun. Tawag sa akin, bet. Ano ba yun? Ano ba yun? Sabi niya, may mga term siya saglit
Yeah. Can you like speak in English for a bit, Kosa, for the foreign viewers?
Meron siya na, tapos fuck, mga ganyan na yung mga words niya. Tangin na, bet. Ika, ano pa ba to?
Bet.
Oh, bet tol. Puta, sabi ko, okay naman, send ko sa FB, bet. Puta, reply sa akin, bet. Kosa, let's go your Konyo side pics, bro. Uy, yun, ganun.
Can you like try to like speak a little bit of like Konyo?
Ang need nyo bigyan ng red doors. Hindi, mga Gen Z. Ano siya, ganun na sila magsalita. Tapos, nung pinanood ko si Speed, putang ina parehas ng kapatid ko. Si kilala mo yun, pre? Si,
I Show
ano,
Speed?
si Speed?
I Show Speed? Are you talking I Show Speed? Yeah, he
Yung
visited like yesterday, right? Like part with Manny
pre.
Pacquiao as well.
Ganun na siya
Yeah.
kapatid ko. Parang sabi ko, puta, nung pinanood ko kanina, doon pala yun. Yung pala yung uso ngayon.
I know.
Yung mga
Do I know that?
terminology
Do I know
nila.
do I know your brother? Meow meow? What is meow meow? Do you know meow meow?
Yeah. The meow meow?
What is meow meow?
The meow meow food? Do you know the meow meow food?
Ah,
Kasi siya
I Show Speed that eating like meow meow.
Oo, kumain siya ng siopaw. Gago tong mga Pilipino, sabi ba naman?
Skibidi toilet or something. Yeah.
Meow meow, meow meow. What the fuck? What's meow meow? Gumagano na siya.
Can you speak Kosa in English? I think a lot of the people wants you to speak in English right now.
Hitman, aasurahin kita. Tangin mo, kukunin ko talaga lahat ng gamit mo dito. Anong hours lang? Gagi, kalabaw English lang ako. YouTube University ako galing. Hindi, yun nga. Guys, yung sa mga newbie dyan, medyo mahirap. Lalo na yung mga mahilig sa kasi FPS game ang uso sa mga generation ngayon eh. Yung tipong shooting game talaga. Kita nyo, pati Roblox, nag-shooting game eh.
What do you think?
Na sila kasi...
Yeah, what do you think like Ragnarok Online, even though it's like more than 20 years or like 20 years old already, what do you think like you can like, you know, entice new players? Because I've been seeing some new players playing actually.
Ang inatol na yung entice, huwag mo masyado ini-English, tol. Ayusin mo.
Like invite them.
Okay.
Invite them.
Feeling ko kasi talaga, para sa mga bago talaga, makakahikayat na lang dun sa mga batang yun is kumikita talaga sa Ragnarok. Parang kasing unang tingin talaga ng mga newbie dito sa laro natin.
Okay.
Tang inang dumi.
Dumi? What do you mean by that?
Ang pangit eh. Tingin talaga nila dito eh. Para silang
like the graphics?
Oo, tol, yung graphics. Unang-una talaga titingnan ng mga newbie dito.
I mean, it's, of course, it's very old. What do you expect, right? But, I understand that.
Yun yung mahirap sa kanya. Kasi mga pilingero yung mga bata ngayon, ang tingin kagad nila, parang gusto nila yung maganda na kagad.
Valorant.
Valorant.
Yeah.
Maganda yung...
What is this? Cox TV is saying like, isang pyramid nga dyan. What does that mean?
Ay, gago eh. Tanginang yan. May bayad yun yung pag yung pyramid. Doon lang sa live ko yun nilalabas. Sira ulo kayo.
Okay.
Secret lang yun eh. Kayo naman talaga.
Okay.
Gago itong mga to ah.
Okay. Yeah. So, how about like newcomers? Like, from like, you know, migrated to Ragnarok Pinas, what do you like suggest? Like for me, example, I kind of know how to play Trance, but I'm not really, you know, like there's a lot of new things in Pinas. So, what do you suggest or like tips?
Kailangan mong i-trap yung mga kaibigan nyo. For example, yung mga newbie. Si Shin, pumunta dito sa RO Pinas. Nagsalita siya na bigyan ko daw siya ng nagbigay siya ng item na hindi niya naman pala gagamitin.
Yeah, actually.
Patulero ko. Sabi niya noon bigyan mo ako tisod, hindi na ako magkukwit, maglalaro na daw siya. Puta, binili ko kagad kala Jenny yung tisod.
Yeah, actually that happened.
Nandun sa kanya yung tisod hanggang ngayon, puta, nasa storage ni Shin.
Yep.
Hindi niya nagamit, guys.
I'm even asking like if Jazzy want to like use it because Jazzy is already a high priest. Mine is like still high acolyte right now. So like, but it got rejected. So yeah, it's still in the storage right now. I'm not using it.
Lang yun, guys. Lang yun, display na lang yun. Tuwing nakikita niya yun, tangina, ito yung dahilan bakit nandito ako sa RO Pinas. Hindi, ganun talaga, pwede yung talagang pang hikayat sa mga newbies na for starter, kailangan talaga na parang, ano ba to? Kailangan nila ng starter.
Okay.
Na parang, for starting. Kasi kahit yung kapatid ko, sabi ko talaga sa kanya, hihiraman ko siya ng account eh.
Yeah.
Kasi kung umpisa dito, parang ang feel... Uy, gagong Brando.
What happened?
Nandiyan pa ba?
Yeah,
Hello?
you're still here.
Okay, pumitik yung kuryente, guys.
I actually said to Nani about T-Sud, or maybe I wasn't. I'm really sorry, Nani. But yeah, so like if there's like a new, like for example, someone like Godsmile is like a newbie always, right? Godsmile is always asking like, I'm new, can you give me an item? So like, what do you give those newcomers?
Panty set.
Anti-Sen.
The famous panty set. Seryoso, napakalaking bagay ng panty set para sa mga players.
So like
kasi bigyan mo ng panty set yan, tapos na siguro 100k, siguro makakagalaw na yan. Tapos bigyan mo weapon. Kasi dito kasi sa RO Pinas, nauso yung elemental converter.
Okay. Elemental converter. What do you suggest about panty set? What does, like, for...
Yung flea, tsaka agi siya di ba? Yung combo.
Yeah. It gives like agi 5? Agi plus 5?
Oo, pag ano siya...
And high flea, yeah.
Kasi maganda siya talaga gamitin for newbies. Katulad nga ng sabi ko sa inyo, may mga maps dito na importante, for example guys, STEM. Mandragora lang yun. Hindi nyo kailangan siguro ng level 99 na character para lang kumant ng Mandragora. Ang drop rate ng STEM is sa Mandragora nagiging doble.
What do you mean by that?
Doble. Nagiging dalawa. Try ninyo, punta kayo Mandragora, pumatay kayo isa, dalawa din na drop. Tapos pag stalker kayo or rogue, may steal pa na isa yun, yung auto steal niya.
Okay.
So total of 3 na kagad.
Okay.
3 stem. Magkano stem ngayon guys? Kayo na maglapag dyan kung magkano.
How much is that? So, I think I remember seeing it like it's like 200.
350 to 400 data.
Really? 380 to 400?
Oo.
Actually good.
Oo, parang ganun.
Quite good. Yeah.
Tapos i-times 3 mo. Sa isang monster yun na nakakailang kayo, guys. Hindi nyo kailangan
cheap na ngayon daw.
Hindi nyo kailangan ng BBG doon. Cheap na ba ngayon? Magkano ba ngayon?
Like, around how much is it? Does anyone in chat knows? Miwa?
Nandiyan si Mama, scared ka.
Yeah.
Okay na yun, wala
yeah, it's like 200 to 50 they said. So it might be a little bit lower now. Yeah, again, just stating it out, like there's a giveaway. Like if you haven't entered the giveaway yet, use redeem reward the 250 points, which is ticket/gift box giveaway, and type your IGN there. And yeah, you'll enter the giveaway. I'll be I'll be rolling it out after the interview. Exclamation SGB, no, it's you need to find the Paw logo, and you can also do that. You can also do that, Renmark. You can also do that, Renmark, if you want to join the giveaway.
Hindi, okay lang.
You don't want to? Okay.
Hindi, pwede ko naman kasi nakaawin yung sarili kong giveaway. Ay, ano pala?
What? What?
Hindi, joke. Hindi, guys. Hindi, nasa 250 ngayon. Let's say nasa 250. O, 250 isa. O, tatlo yun. That's 750 pa rin. Diba? Sa isang monster. Gaano ba kahirap patayin yung yung Mandragora? Napakabilis lang guys patay ng Mandragora.
Ignore that there is no currently like giveaway, but read the first one. Anyway, yeah, it's Shaton saying to you. As I aspire to be like you when I grow up, Koso says Hakister. So,
mas malaki ka na sa akin, Hakister. Anong grow up like you? Mas malaki ka na sa akin. Huwag mo na ako mag-i-aspire.
What do you mean by that? Like followers? I feel like, yeah, Twitch-wise, maybe, but oh yeah, speaking of Twitch, let me shout out your Twitch.
Hey guys, follow nyo ako sa Twitch.
Yeah, follow Renmark to.
Subscribe pala, sorry.
Yeah. Oh, you can also subscribe, it's September today.
Hindi, wag na pala. Wag na pala. Di naman pala ako nagla-live doon, guys.
See, it's like they're playing Deadlock. It says on the shoutout.
Ay, stream elements Ay,
You're
playing
not a
dead.
Ragnarok online streamer anymore. But
Hindi, guys ito kasi, sa ano ko lang, yung mga streamers dyan na
yeah.
mas maganda kasi, let's say, may nag-everyday stream kayo. Okay, di ba araw-araw kayo nag-stream? Mas maganda na meron kayo ibang nilalaro. Pero, don't forget pa rin na may one day ka pa rin. May Ragnarok ka pa rin sa isang araw. Kasi dun ka nakilala. For example, kunyari RO Pinas ka ngayon. The next day RO Pinas. Pwede ka maglaro ng ibang games. For example, RO Pinas, tapos mag-deadlock ka. Tapos kinabukasan RO Pinas pero mag-deadlock ka pa rin. Para alam mo yun, nakukuha mo yung iba-ibang variety games na I mean, kasi hindi naman lahat ng nasa nasa Ragnarok gusto mag-deadlock.
Yeah. I understand that.
Makuha mo yung yung mga nagde-deadlock. The same time, nakukuha mo pa rin yung sa RO mo.
Yeah, you can invite the deadlock players to
yes.
Play Ragnarok online.
Oo.
Yeah, vice versa.
Bakit nag-deadlock ka pero di ka natutulog?
I saw the pub. Something saying like about Kosa. You can read that if you want. I don't know if you can see it now. Can you see it?
Kosa pangit ang putang sin yan. Si Bayot yan hayop ka.
let me Miss Sesa by Exploit.
Ay hindi si ano pala kala ko si Bayot, yung jowa pala ni Bayot, si Shiaton. Magjowa yan si Giyu at si Shiaton.
Okay. Yeah, let's go back to like the for the newbies. You're giving away Fantasy and 100k. So if you're a newbie, go to Kosa stream and get some Fantasy.
Hindi sa lahat yun, okay? Pag feel ko lang, napaka sira ulo ko po sa ganyang kasi alam ko na kasi na madaming nagpipiling na newbie. Okay?
Okay.
Minsan hindi naman newbie, sinasabi newbie, tapos mahihingi na 50k. Tapos pag hindi ka nagbigay, parang ikaw pa yung masama or anything na ganun. So, medyo inaano ko din, nililimit lang din natin or iniiwasan natin.
Yeah, like for example, like if someone wants to play Ragnarok Pinas, what do you like suggest that they will like the first class that they should make? And then what are the necessary steps to like go until like the early mid game? Yeah.
Para makahabol kayo talaga, kailangan nyo mag-dual na. Dual account. So, gawa kayong pare. The same time, kung gusto niyo pwedeng sniper. Magiging yun guys, switching kayo. Una, ililitch nyo yung acolyte hanggang mag-second job or hanggang maging priest. Tapos pag priest na yung turn undead naman, yung priest naman yung maglilitch dun sa sniper nyo hanggang mag-80 na hanggang 80 na kaya.
Let's backtrack a little bit. And what do you mean by leeching? Like
leeching, for example, yung priest tsaka 'di ba? Priest tsaka sniper. For example, sa umpisa, magpa-party na kayo or until first job, mag-party kayo tapos hanggang makapunta na kayo sa wolf. Party pa rin kayo.
So, we should go wolf. Yeah.
Kasama nung nung archer yung acolyte mo.
Okay.
I-leech mo ngayon yun. Parang naka-party siya tapos even share.
Yeah.
So parang linta lang yung yung priest, yung acolyte. So sa leveling para tuloy-tuloy siya hanggang makapunta kayo ng geographer. Yun yung suggestion ko kasi long range. Tapos hindi
Geographer is located in Aimbrook, right?
Sa taas ng Aimbrook.
Yeah.
Tapos yun, long range, tapos kailangan nyo lang doon, fire arrow. So, hindi siya magastos. Tapos, hindi kayo gagastos ng pots doon since yung white pots nyo, hindi nyo magagamit since umuupo-upo lang kayo doon kasi nga long range. Parang plant lang yon, parang white herb, parang ganyan lang. Tapos, pag napa second job nyo na siya,
thank you, Hitman. Yeah. second job?
Ang second job na, yung priest nyo, ang pinaka-diskarte doon, okay, hahaluan nyo ng dex yung ano nyo, yung priest nyo. Lalagyan nyo ng dex, tapos lalagyan nyo ng turn undead. Hanggang mapalabas nyo yung turn undead. Okay? Pag nagka-turn undead na yun, Anubis na kayo. Ang suggestion ko, wag nyong gagamitin yung teleport nyo. Ang pinaka gagamitin ninyo is lagyan nyo ng flywing. The reason why na gumamit kayo ng flywing is for the delay. May delay kasi yung turn undead, tapos magte-teleport kayo. Napatay na po kayo ng Anubis nun. So, ang gagawin ninyo, turn undead, flywing kagad.
Yeah. That happens to me. Hello?
Kahit anong mangyari, guys, huwag nyo nang hintayin yung cooldown ng tele. Or, huwag nyo nang hintayin mag-successful yung turn undead. Ang gawin nyo na lang, turn undead, tele kagad. Until mag-level up kayo na mag-level up. Huwag na kayong maghinayang sa flywing. Sobrang mura lang ng flywing, guys. Mas malaki yung magiging benefit nyo pag nag-level up kayo na nag-level up. So yun, tuloy-tuloy nyo lang yun hanggang mag-90 kayo. Pwede ata doon hanggang 90 eh.
Where? Sa Anubis?
Anubis. Or 80. 89. Okay. Basta makapag-even lang kayo tapos mamburaot na kayo sa mga streamer na nagli-libre leech.
So that's your plan. I go to leechers. Yeah.
Pag-even na sa 99, yun lang guys.
Speaking of leeching, do you also do leeching services like, on your streams?
Hindi masyado eh.
Are you planning to?
Hindi rin.
Why?
Kasi masyadong mababait yung mga streamer na yun. Hindi ako mabait eh. Gusto ko ako yung nilileech ng viewer ko eh. Kaya love na love nila ako eh. Mas gusto ko yung love nila ako kaysa love ko sila eh.
Okay, someone is asking me, like, ano yung thoughts niya sa Bolters ngayon na yung anti-AFK is integrated?
Actually, maganda siya para sa akin. To be honest, maganda siya.
Si Dito. I cannot speak in Chinese as well.
So, mas maganda yung ngayon guys, dun sa yung sa Bolter na nilagyan ng AFK. Kasi, to be honest, madaming gumagawa ng AFK farming. Okay, madaming gumagawa ng AFK farming. And unfair yun sa mga nagno-normal farm tulad ko. Or tulad ng mga ibang farmer dyan na nagpupuyat. Kung alam nyo lang kung gaano katindi mag-farm yung mga farmers dito. As in, kung magpuyat. Tapos lalabanan nyo ng yung AFK farming lang. 'Di ba? Nung naka-macro farming.
Yeah.
Alam na namin yan dati pa guys, yung macro farming. Kumakalat na yan under pa sa Discord lang. Ngayon lang nilagyan ni GMI ng AFK something na yan. So talagang na-abuse na siya kung tutuusin. Na-abuse na yan.
Yeah, macro farming, it's common in other MMORPGs as well, so it's not really new.
Kaya hindi nilalagay yung guys eh. Sa tingin nyo ba bakit hindi nilagay ni Hay sa emulator ang RO Pinas? Kasi madaming macro ang emulator, yung mga yung emulator ng ano ba pangalan mga BlueStack ba 'yon?
Yeah, BlueStacks.
Okay, sa mga BlueStacks, Nox.
Yeah.
Ang daming nun macro na tipong pag yung macro na yun ang pinagana mo.
Yeah.
Magiging bot na talaga siya.
Yeah, it's
kung pag-aaralan yung macro na yun.
Yeah, you're like playing already like a bot. That's true. But what about like since the anti-AFK is integrated, what do you think about Bolters? Is it still very viable? Is it like if you rate it like 1 out of 10, like 1 to 10?
Kasi alam ko, teka lang, yung AFK ba ng AFK natin 1 minute?
I don't think so. I think it's 5 minutes, 7 minutes or something.
5 minutes naman puta. Guys, sa 5 minutes sa tingin nyo, niluro nyo, hindi nyo mapapatay. Patay na rin yun.
Oh, it's random. They're saying everyone is saying random. So it's
random
AFK is random, but I don't know the exact Yeah, because it's random, so we don't know the exact time. But
Random?
But I heard that even if you're AFK, you can still get experience, but you cannot use skills. And the drop rate, experience rate is super low.
Bigla na
What?
lang hindi siya, pre,
Even experience?
hindi ka natatama.
Yeah. That I understand. That I know.
Oo. Kaya siguro nila nirereklamo.
Yeah. Like if you get random. Yeah, okay.
You cannot use skill against monster. Pag
Yeah,
random yun. Siguro yun. Hindi, malay nyo naman kasi tinetesting pa lang ni Hi guys. Malay nyo, it's a testing pa lang ngayon tapos aayusin din. Pwede nyo ilagay sa suggestion na GM, baka pwede po palagyan ng konting oras, di ba?
Mm-hmm.
Tinanggal na ni admin Hi ang
a minute or something?
Ayun guys, so natanggal na pala eh.
Yeah, I think on some locations they remove the AFK, but I understand that, yeah. Maybe, hopefully it's like more than a minute, but I hope it's more than a minute. But I think anything that moves on the screen, like if you click a cell or something, it's considered as movement. So if you're a bolter, as long as you're trying to use some skills, it shouldn't affect you, hopefully.
Pero, nasabihan din kayo nung maganda yung suggestion mo pero hindi pwede.
Or where did you read that?
Hindi. Nakalagay kasi dito.
I see. Okay.
Nasuggest na yung kosa pero bawal. Kasi ganun lagi yung sinasabi sa akin nila eh.
Yeah, I understand that.
Maganda yung
macro.
Pero hindi pwede.
Mm-hmm. Okay. But like as a build, do you think like yeah, well, let's talk about that afterwards. Like after enough, like.
Pero guys, maganda ang build ng To be honest, napakaangas ng build ng ng bolter type. Isipin nyo makakapag-farm kayo kahit saan.
Really? Where do you think that build goes? Like that is like that build is weak.
Hanggang Torata kaya yun eh.
Yeah, I know about that. Like you can go to Tor, use a monk or something, and then or like use steel body or something. Yeah. Yes, Vidita is saying like bolter is equal. Yeah, I'm far faster than those. Yeah. Regarding that, do you think that there's another better build than that? Like you have a build like in Gefenia, right? You have a build in Gefenia. You're using a stalker. What do you think about that?
Stalker, guys, ako kasi yung tipong player na tamad.
Okay.
Tamad. Literal na tamad. Okay. Parang tinatanong nyo, what do you mean by tamad ko? Ayoko nung bumabalik-balik sa labas. Yung para mag-spare show. So, yung character ko, yung stalker ko, okay, yung build nyon is attack speed build na may sariling aspersion na dala-dala.
Okay.
Nag-aspersyo ako sa sarili ko.
What do you mean dala-dala? Aspersion? What? Is that an item?
Hindi. It's tricky, lang siya. Kailangan mo lang mag-deadly, tapos magpapa-aspersyo ka. So, yun yung makakopy niya.
Oh, okay. I get what you mean. Yeah.
Okay, yung aspersion skill. So, yun. Tapos, pag nagka-aspersyo ka na, 190 yung attack speed nun. And then, yun yung pinang-farm ko. Tapos, tina-target ko lang is Incubus and Succubus lang. Yun yung farmer ko sa Gefenia. So, hindi ko tinatamaan yung ibang and normal type lang talaga siya. So, flywing, click lang ako. So, hindi nagti-triple attack, hindi po. Double attack lang siya and then 190 attack speed. Hindi mo kasi guys sa Gefenia kasi, hindi mo pwedeng i-max damage yung normal type kayo Hindi nyo pwedeng i-max damage yung character nyo kasi hindi nyo pa nai-stealan, mamamatay na pag sobrang taas ng damage nyo. So, sayang yung makukuha nyo sa Succubus.
So, you're basically saying that you shouldn't like increase your damage because you need to auto-steal?
Depende.
As long as you auto-steal it. Okay.
Yung auto-skill niya.
Okay.
So, dapat mataas din dex nyo. Hindi pwedeng low dex kayo.
Okay.
So, yun guys.
So
Hindi
like,
ko pwede ibigay yung buong build,
I
pero
think text to speech is not working right now. Hold on. Let me put the text to speech for you, but I don't think it will. I think it will affect the podcast. Did I put the text to speech?
sa LK. Okay din yung LK, guys.
Yeah, it's off. It's off in this podcast, but I feel like it will bother the. It's because it's gonna be beep. So yeah. How much do you get from like? Do you use like bubblegum? There, like
Yes,
VIP bubblegum.
VIP bubblegum kayo doon for
Yeah.
the drop rate of the white herb and yung Mastela. And then the rings. Yung rings kasi doon, yung diamond ring, yun talaga yung importante na makukuha nyo doon.
Okay. So that's what you like. It's raw Zenny. It's not like
Raw
Zenny
Zenny
that
talaga.
you sell to other players.
Hindi. Ay, iba yun. Iba yung sinesell ko pag sa other players
No.
na Zenny. Ano ba? Okay. Gets. Sorry.
Yeah, like items. Zenny. You brew whites? Do you brew whites? Someone is asking, you brew whites or something?
No. Pero may friend ako na nagbe-brew. Kung kilala nyo yung pinakasikat na brewer na Jetro yung IGN. So, friend namin siya. Kasama namin siya sa hidden guild namin. The Unknown Guild.
Okay.
And then friend namin si JR.
Okay. But like around how much do you like get it from
mabilis nyo
one
doon
bubble gum?
from
So it's 30 minutes.
Kaya siguro mag 2M.
2M. Wow. 30 minutes.
30 minutes.
Your stalker.
Oo.
Stalker build.
Nagre-range doon pala. Sorry.
But it's around like minimum.
Baka sabihin nila 1M na lang. Sige.
Okay.
1M pala. Sorry.
1M. Okay.
1M 30 minutes. 1M 30 minutes.
1M 30 minutes. That's actually insane.
1M 30 minutes
Are you
ba?
sure?
Oo, mga ganun. Kaya.
Okay.
Kaya 1M 30 minutes.
Okay.
Pero guys, pag nakita nyo yung
not 2M.
character, it's invested talaga. Invested yung character pag nakita nyo. Naka-ice pick, naka-plus 9 backpack.
Can you like give it to me so I can like maybe when I post like the video, then I can show it. If you're okay with showing it.
Yung items?
Yeah, the build, your build.
Oo naman.
Okay.
Send ko sa'yo mamaya.
Yeah. Okay.
Wala na problema.
copy ko
Siguro
sa-
send ko yung items, pero bahala na sila gumawa ng builds.
Yeah, sure. No, not the stat build. Okay, fine.
Stats.
1M per minute, 30 minutes is bad considering the price of CP at the moment, but that 2M should be very doable in Gifenia. Yeah,
Oo.
okay. That's true.
Kadong
Okay.
kasi yung doon, yung white herb kasi, napaka kasi nung white herb. Sobrang mahal nung white
Yeah, I
herb.
see like it's like 600 to 700, right? Maybe even 800.
Ganun siya. Tapos kung may brewer ka pa, pwede mo siyang gawing slims. Tapos
Yeah, but honestly for me, 1M per 30 minutes is already good. Because I don't I don't have any items yet. Like right now I don't have anything. I only have Tison. I only have Staff of Darkness, OAB, Anti-Set, and Steel, you know. That's the only item that I have. Well, I got Wool Scarf from Nani, but those are my items right now.
Nakapasok lang sa server ni Shin, puta isipin nyo naka-tisod, naka-OAP.
Those are
Tingnan
given
mo-
by you though. Those are given by you.
Pagkapasok niya pa lang puta yan, na-demonyo na
I have Sweetita also has another patty. Yeah, that will be helpful, I guess. I can double equip it. But yeah. Yeah, speaking of like early to mid build, like for farming, what do you like? Do you have any suggestion? Because I tried Hillwind, for example, and Hillwind was drastically nerfed. Like usually it was like 1,000, right? Per kill. But
I-try
they
niyo
nerfed
yung
it, right?
suggest yung
Yeah,
NPC item LK.
Okay.
NPC item lang na LK bowling ba siya ata yung hindi ako nagkakamali. Si Momon gumawa ng build na yun eh. I mean, try niyo dun sa sleeper ata kung hindi ako nagkakamali. Sleeper.
Okay.
Madami pa rin nagpo-farm until now sa sleeper, guys. Pero pwede niyo gumawa ng LK na NPC items lang. Nasubukan na yun, guys. Proven and tested yun na pwede mag-farm ang LK doon. na Agi build na may pari. Tapos mag-ano lang, maglulure din, bowling bash. Effective yun.
So like
Hindi nyo
even Knight can go there, like non-trans.
Knight,
How
feeling
about
ko alam
non-trans?
Knight. Kailangan trans.
Okay. So, do you have any suggestions for...
Kailangan mo yung yung...
Yeah.
Kailangan mo yung pari ng LK para hindi ka tamaan lalo.
But like, do you have any suggestions for new players that wants like their first million Zenny for, to get rebirth?
Like, Stalker.
Be a Stalker first?
Stalker, guys. Stalker or a hunter, tapos
like
mag-card hunting. Isipin nyo guys card hunting kayo, kuha kayo rocker card. Nabibenta rocker card ng 2M.
Really?
Oh.
I got a Mantis card and how much is that?
San ba ang rocker? Saan ba nakikita? Diyan lang sa baba ng frontera yan sa kaliwa.
Oh, okay. Godsmall is also selling like Holden card is 7M. Is that true?
Hold'em card, 7M, nasa JO lang. Diba? So you don't need na sobrang invested ka. I mean, hindi nyo kailangan kagad Yung iba kasi guys na newbie, ito, ayokong sana may masaktan na iba. Huwag ninyo kagad kung may pera kayo, sige. Pwede nyo gawin yun, gagawa kayo ng character ninyo na i-invest nyo. Tapos gagawa kayo ng yun talaga, okay yun. Okay yan. Kasi yung iba kasi, pag nakita nila sa streamer na ginagawa dun sa, kunyari, Gefenia, Mavka, huwag nyo muna gawin kagad yun. I mean, yun yung...
Yeah.
Napakahirap gawin kagad dun, guys.
To be honest,
lalo na pa lang kayo. Ang hirap nun.
Yeah, that's why I'm curious. Like, what is the build that you would suggest? Because, like, I've been seeing a lot of streamers, like, they're just using bolter types. I know it's like, you don't need to, like, do that much because you're a bolter type, right? Like, you don't really attack. You use, like, the skill, the CDN mount. I think it's CDN mount, right? So you use that. Try to heal yourself while getting attack, and you get the loots. But, like, we can't do that right now. Like, us newbies can't do that, but
mahal ang natin ang invested doon.
Yeah, so what do you think that can be fun for like newbies like us? Like the one that you said?
Okay yun sa Punggos. Okay doon sa yun yung mga maps na na tinatago na ayaw ibigay ni Gio. Yan. Dati kasi yun solo ni Gio yun yung Fungus tsaka yung Sleeper. Konti lang tao dati yun. Tapos ni-live.
I feel like Sleeper and Fungus is really common. In my knowledge.
Tahimik dito yun dati. Mga player, dalawa lang sa Fungus, isa nga lang minsan nandun So, sumap lang yun dati. Hindi dito, ang pinaka-farming talaga ng ROP is the Magma, Mavka. Tapos yung Gefenia, ngayon lang yung Gefenia, guys. Dati, mga 3 lang ata nag-Gefenia. Sila JR lang, sila Semi, mga yan. Sila Dread. Sila lang. Konti lang dati. Ngayon, puta, pati LK, nandyan na.
So, yeah. Let's talk about farming locations. Yeah? What?
Yun lang yung masasuggest ko. Cards.
Yeah.
Card hunting sila or yun nga Punggos. Hindi madami pa guys card hunting or yung try din nila sa mga kasi for sure naman may maghahunt pa rin ng mga Hydra kasi pang PVP yan
Okay.
May nagbe-build pa rin na nagbe-build ng characters guys na bumubuo ng new builds, gumagawa pa rin ng new characters. Tapos gagawa ulit ng PVP weapons.
Okay.
Ano yan? Tuloy-tuloy pa rin yan. Hindi yan mauubos.
What do you think are about the meta farming sites? Like what are those farming sites?
Para sa
Gefenia, and what are you? Yeah.
Like, Gefenia ang pinaka...
Is that your top one? Gefenia?
Gefenia.
Gefenia. Okay.
Gefenia, pero yung isa pa yung Venato. Feeling ko
Venato.
mataas din dun.
Really? Yeah, I've been seeing a lot of
Yung
Venato, but
priest,
I've been seeing like
kung mapapansin
ME
mo, madaming
priest.
lumalabas na Venato card.
Yeah, it's like ME High Priest, right? ME High Priest or
Magnus.
Bolter. Is it also Bolter again?
Hindi. Ano lang
No?
siya? Hindi. Ano lang siya? Magnus build lang.
Okay.
Magnus build tapos ayun sobrang taas ng magic attack
Magnus
lang.
build. What are like? Is it the same as Magnus build on Niflheim, for example?
Parehas lang. Tapos mataas lang yung niya. Sa Venato. Pero mas mataas ang farming nila sa Venato kasi may drifter dun eh. Yung weapon, parang mahal yun.
So they're looking for that item. They really need VIP.
May rollouts kasi siya na nalalagdag doon. Kumbaga yung drifter kasi,
yeah,
yun yung may presyo. Nasa yun eh, pag binenta mo, nasa 40k yun.
That's a lot. That's big.
Hindi pa siya naka-overcharge. So, ino-overcharge pa yun, di ba?
I see. So, what's next after Venato? What do you think? Like your
actually,
top 5. Give us your top 5.
Sabihin ko na yung lahat ng farming site. Siguro pa.
Sure. And can you like put some ratings on it? Like
Gefenia.
Okay. Out of 10?
Gefenia, out of 10, Gefenia pinaka mataas magbigay ng Zenny. Pero ang problema, kailangan mo invested in Depot. May Depot cards na yung character mo.
Okay.
Siya, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa Gefenia ng kunyari naka-voice set ka lang ganun or anything na panty set. Hindi pwede. Hindi mo kakayanin doon.
Okay.
So kailangan mo talaga investan siya, gagastos ka ng worth.
Yeah.
Ganyan na Zenny.
I also heard like in the recent patch they changed the Gefenia, the rules in Gefenia. That you need to have that equipment?
Hindi, you need to quest it na.
Yeah, you need to do the quest.
Pero pwede ka rin naman pumasok.
Yeah.
Pero magbabayad ka na. May entrance na siya.
You need to pay an entrance fee. How much is that?
Parang 20k ata or 10k. Parang hindi ko ganun.
20k? 30k?
Parang ganun. 20k kada entry mo Kada entry mo.
Okay.
Pero wala kang power magbukas nun. So, yung mga nag-quest pa lang din yung, di ba, kunyari sasabay ka, kasi ginagawa na yun ngayon eh. Yung sasabay ka lang, tapos babayad ka ng 20k. Di ba dati nauso yung papabukas mo sa iba?
Yes. That's true.
Ngayon, ang gagawin, bubuksan nung iba, since madami nga nagfa-farm dun, lagi naman nakabukas na, magto 20k ka na lang. Hindi siya bukas, kailangan mo pa rin hintayin na may mag-open pa rin. So,
really?
Talagang
I didn't know that. I thought it was always open. Open. There's just too many people that are farming. That's why it's always open.
Lagi lang siya guys na may nagfa-farm nag-open. Punta ka, tambay kayo sa Geffen, makikita nyo, yung open and close, lumalabas pa rin siya talaga.
I see. So everyone is there's just a lot of people entering.
Sobra. Dami nagfa-farm. Isipin nyo, 5 maps ata yun, puta. May tigta 3 minsan na tao sa mapang yun.
Okay. Then next.
And then siguro, Venato, yung sunod.
Venato. Okay. You explained that it's the Magnus priest.
Magnus build naman na priest.
Yeah, how about how about the Gefenia? What is like you're using rogue?
Sa
Gefenia is saying LK, but
actually madami. Hindi lang LK. May paladin pa.
Okay.
May LK, may stalker. Tapos dun sa stalker, meron pa siyang ibang builds. Pwede kang normal build, pwede kang bowling bash build. Sa LK, pwede kang mag-brandish. Tapos, wala ata pa akong nakikita nag-champ sa loob. Okay, so wala pa akong nakikita. Tapos sa sa shield boomerang ata, yung sa paladin.
Tell him to speak English, yeah. There's no champ. I think he said like there's no champ.
Walang champ, guys.
No
So,
champ.
yun, tatlo yun.
Remark, no champ.
Walang champ.
No champ.
Tapos, ewan ko, dati may naggawa daw ng yung bolter type doon na paladin. Ayun, meron din daw. Pero yun nga lang kasi, di ba, may brandish kasi yung, ano eh, yung AK. So, nabibigyan sila ng sakit ng katawan doon.
Okay.
So, ayun.
Okay,
tapos,
Venato, it's...
Gifenya.
Yeah,
Tapos,
Gifenya.
Venato, pare naman.
Yeah. The next one is...
Magma.
Magma.
Actual Magma dungeon.
Really? Magma? You're suggesting that? Okay.
Hindi, suggest lang naman kung
yeah.
So
it's like your top 3, right? Magma. Here's your top 3. Are you sure?
Hindi. Top 4.
Top 4. What's top 3?
So, Venato.
Wait.
Ay, teka.
Gifenya.
Venato. Oo nga. Gifenya, Venato. Pwede na Magma. Wala naman nang yun eh.
How about Abyss? Is Abyss good?
Hindi okay ang Abyss eh.
It's not good.
Madami na nagsasabi Abyss League is not good for farming.
Okay.
Tapos napakahirap pa ng item set doon. Good siya for leveling.
Okay.
XP good doon. Pero yung sabihin nyo na farming, napakasakit kasi ng Abyss League.
Yeah. Again, if you want to join the giveaway, just redeem the 250 points ticket / gift box giveaway and type your IGN there. Okay. You're good, Kosa. Nice don't you?
Yun. Hanggang Magma, di ba? Sa Magma, ilang naman, alam nyo na yun. Tapos, ano ba yun? Magnus, nandun na lahat sa Magma eh. Nandun na lahat ng farmer. Nandun yung Bolter, nandun yung Magnus, nandun yung LK. Nandun na lahat sa Magma. And then yung susunod na siguro, ay hindi, may isa pa pala.
Okay. What is it?
Bago mag-Magma, siguro
what is it?
meron pang Mavka.
Mavka, yeah, okay.
Mavka,
You've been there.
Nandun din ako dati.
Yeah.
Bali, Gifenya, Venato, Mavka, Magma, tapos siguro yung mga doon na sa Sleeper yung sunod. Sa akin yun guys Sleeper, Pungus, yan.
So you feel like Sleeper is not that profitable? Like,
profitable din siya kasi
compared to others, compared to Gifenya, compared to...
Siguro yun yung mga pero mas okay nga din dun kasi less item lang din eh. Hindi ba, parang payat yung farming ko dun dati sa Sleeper eh. Sleeper should be the lowest nga, sabi ni Speed.
I see.
Yun nga
do you actually need a lot of items there, or is it like accessible for,
maganda sa Sleeper kasi hindi mo siya kailangan ng sobrang LK na walang, sabi ko nga sa LK na NPC item kaya dun.
How about the Niflheim for ME?
Sa
Dulahan and Disguise, I think?
Naboringan ako dun eh. Hindi ko feel dun. Parang mataas pa rin yung sa iba. Mas ka na lang, mag-Venato ka. Yun, talaga.
You think even a newbie, like for example, you don't have much items?
Hindi kakayanin ng Venato.
Yeah. So let's talk about the giveaway again. And if you guys have any questions for Renmark, just type it on chat. And hold on. In terms of time spent, Sleeper ang lowest nga kasi magda-downgrade ka pa ng libong-libong Great Nature, Sana oras na nagagamit ng farm. Yeah, that's true.
Yes.
I understand that.
Tapos yung yung pwede nyo di ba may gems ata doon? Pwede nyo gawin blue tapos benta nyo din.
From yellow gems or red gem? Is it red gems? Not really sure.
Mas mura kasi ata ang yellow eh. Parang...
Really? Okay.
Tapos convert mo siya to blue tapos benta. Ay, secret pala yun. Sorry. Secret lang pala yun.
Because the blue gem is like 600, right?
Gagi,
how much is the blue?
Secret lang pala yun. Ay.
Should I delete the VOD now?
Hindi, joke lang. Hindi, pwede yun, guys. Sa payo nyo, ipapapalit nyo yung gem.
Pag yung mga nagbibenda, oh, come on. Oh no.
Ay, nagdami man namin. Hindi kasi, sorry. Minsan mahirap ng podcast eh.
Thank you for the information. Yeah. Yeah, for example, what do you think like is a good map like you can try and test for new possibilities on gaining Zenny?
No. Sorry.
Like for example, you're thinking about are you being like feeling guilty right now?
Hindi, may binasa lang ako sa chat.
Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, like there you've been a lot of players are farming in Venato and Magma and Gefenia, Sleepers, what else? Niflheim, what else? Like those places. But in your mind, can you think about some like non-meta, like you wish that there would be might be a possibility to be, a place to gain Zenny from?
Ako, yung sana ibalik nila yung sa clock, yung alarm, yung skull, siguro ibalik yung pricing nung taasan lang siguro yung sa skull. Para magkaroon lang ng ng another choices
like
of
diversity,
variety.
Variety,
Ibang variety ng monster na pagfa-farman.
How about New World?
New World, never pa ako pumupunta sa New World. Nagawa ko yung New World sa GGH pero hindi ko siya na kalkal masyado.
Yeah, so have you ever tested New World?
Hindi pa dito sa RO Pinas hindi. Never tested it.
Are you like thinking about it?
Pinakamalayo ko lang talaga siguro Alyot. Yun na yung pinakamalayo ko naakitan tsaka yung Thanatos.
Okay.
Pero yung Thanatos map lang pero hindi ako umakyat. Hanggang dun lang. Yun lang yung mga...
How about weekly Endless Tower runs? Is it profitable for like, for example, as a group or something?
Yes. Madami akong kilala na madaming kumikita dyan sa Endless Tower. And madami na rin kasing gumagawa now. Nagbubuo sila ng group tapos bin-up nila. Kasi ang Endless Tower, guys, pwede nyo siyang ulit-ulitin tapos kung kaya nyo na talaga. May diskarte lang, guys. You don't need that item na sobrang rare, na sobrang may certain certain na mga characters na kailangan nyo sa pag-akyat.
I agree with that.
Magagawa nyo siya, guys. Matatapos nyo siya.
I think that will take a while if you want to explain that, but that will take a while. You can make a guide, maybe, but that is gonna take a while.
Haba yun, guys.
But if you're used to it.
Pero naniniwala kami na kaya siya ng hindi sobrang imba items.
Yeah.
No, hindi nyo kailangan maging imba items doon sa setup na Kung naka-imba items kayo, mabilis yung matatapos.
Yeah. I agree to that.
Pero kung sabihin nyo namin na kaya lang matatapos siya ng hindi imba items.
Yeah. That's true. So, any suggestion aside from sorry, I read the chat, but like for newbies again. Let's go back for being newbies. Aside from hunting cards, what is like subpar? Like not really Magma. I guess Sleeper is one of the like newbie friendly maps that you're suggesting to farm on, but other than that, like not really that much,
Di balik na tayo sa classic.
Yeah, we can go back to classic.
Farming, saan tayo? Xmas Dungeon o kaya sa balik tayo sa Clock Tower sa Orc Dungeon, yung hindi sa Clock Basement. Yung sa basement. Aldebaran Dungeon.
The one with the High Orc and the Arclos.
Diba? High Orcs? Yung sa High Orcs. Balik na tayo doon kung classic talaga gusto ninyo na farming.
Yeah, even
or
if...
dun sa
Okay, so even if it's like they
Ano?
don't have any items, they can go there. Think so?
Hindi naman sa no items. Kailangan pa rin kahit papaano
I
mag-invest
mean,
na kahit
yeah,
papaano.
but not the.
Pero hindi ganun kamahal,
Yeah.
syempre. Pero mura na lang din naman yung mga items ngayon. Hindi na kasing mahal dati.
Okay.
Lalo na yung pang 200 na mga items. Kasi bowling bash, naayos yung bowling bash. Dati, ano yung bowling bash eh? Ano yun eh? Yun yung meta dati, bowling bash kasi nagta-times 2 ata yung times 4 yung bowling bash dito kung hindi kami nagkakamali.
It's very powerful. I know that. It's
Last.
like very OP in a sense, like it's OP.
Yun yung meta dati dito.
Yeah,
And napalitan lang siya since nga, yun nga, meron ngang bug, no? May bug siya na nagta-times 4 siya. Dapat times 2 lang ata eh. Pag dikit, pag wala sa gutter line.
Okay. I didn't know that. Okay. I wasn't there, so.
Ay na, ang lakas ng ano dito, bowling bash, umuubos dati ng ano. Kunyari, guild, pumasok yung LK, bowling bash ka talaga, tapos ka.
Miwa is saying that there's a price hike in cards and certain items right now. It's very hard for newbies to buy and make a gear.
Kasi,
do you agree with that?
Actually, agreed naman tayo dyan sa cards, pero pwede ka naman mag-farm ng, wag mo lagyan ng cards, mag-elemental ka na lang muna. Tis-tis. Pwede naman tis-tis muna sa umpisa. Yun nga lang talaga, mabagal yung progression mo. Yung progress mo talaga, hindi full blast talaga yung progress mo kung, alam mo yun? Kasi kailangan mo mag-donate, kailangan mo ng VIP, kailangan mo ng BBG. Di ba? Hindi ka naman din kaagad na pagsalpak mo, pitpitan ng itlog ka kaagad.
Sleeper or EPT? What is EPT?
Ancient Peach Tree.
Enchanted Peach Tree, like Gonrian? Yeah, I've been there.
Kasi Gonrian.
Actually, it's very good because you can get also a teddy bear.
Dun. Teddy bear. Tsaka yung ano yun, yung Royal Jelly farming.
Royal Jelly thoughts.
Pala, okay din dun. Go on, Sniper. Royal Jelly farming pala,
Yeah, let me accept that. I'm Angras. Actually, it's still like, usually it costs like 3,600, I think. But they nerf it to 2,000, but it's still good. And it's drops like it's 10% or 20%.
Yeah. Mabilis siya mag-drop tapos dahil na naka-costumes. Kung may friend ka, manghiram ka. Kaya yung friend mo, pinahiram ka, wag mo balik.
There's also Zipper Bear there, right? So it's actually very good.
May Zipper Bear. Madami.
Yeah. I agree. I was farming there for my rebirth, to be honest. And then I asked you for rebirth. But yeah, I was farming there. I farmed like an hour there and I think I got like 600, 700k. It's very slow for me, but
still guys, si Chin pang nanghigay ng 10M to, bibigyan ko agad.
No, I won't do that, definitely, but
kaya nga sabi ko, pag nanghingi ka lang. Kasi alam ko hindi ka manghihingi.
Well, I got Tison for that, but anyway. Yeah, so Sleeper and Gonrian. Okay, that is very helpful to know. Yeah. So let's go with your specialty. I think this might be one of the last questions. Like your specialty is like RMT, right?
Hindi sinagsabi niyan. Puta.
I mean, it's from your name. Renmark to, right? Renmark to.
Pero hindi ko naman siya specialty. Hindi, ito. Magiging ano tayo dyan sa RMT na yan.
Yeah.
Naging ano lang, siguro dati, malakas ako magbenta dati. Pero ngayon, hindi naman na. Actually nga, hindi na nga items ko yung binibenta ko eh. Minsan kasi may nagpapabenta na lang na nagtitiwala. Sabi ko nga, di ba, pre? Parang sabi ko, yung mas pinapalaki ko yung mga kaibigan ko na ngayon. Pinapalawa ko yung tropa, yung connections.
You're like the connection now. The connection.
Ngayon ako yung midman. Nagiging midman ako ngayon.
You're like the underboss now. Like the one who's like trying to sell the items. Like like midman.
Items ng
Midman.
tropa mo yung binibenta. Yes, to be honest, ganyan na po. Nagiging midman na lang ako, guys.
Yeah. Okay.
Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, hindi naman ako sumasama sa ET. Hindi naman ako sumasama sa kahit anong rare hunting.
Okay.
Wala, tol. Yung mga friend ko lang, kunyari yun, mga nakapaligid, yan. Yun na yung mga nakapaligid sa akin. May mag-BPM, o Kosa, pabenta naman, baka pwede. Tapos binibigyan na lang nila akong cut. And then, the same time, syempre, kumakat pa tayo. Depende.
Two transactions from the buyer and the seller. That's what you're doing?
Siyempre. Ano tayo, hipokrito? Hindi tayo plastic.
For example, like for new people that are new to RMT, would you suggest doing RMT, like knowing RMT in this server, in this particular server?
Pwede. Kunyari, bibili sila.
Yeah.
Pwede
buying or selling, whichever it is.
Oo naman. Basta ingat lang, okay? Pwede kayong magpa-midman sa mga streamer nyo. Ayan, number one na pwede nyong gamitin na midman si Hakister.
Yeah, okay. Hakister. Okay.
Yeah,
so, Hakister?
Nyo yan, guys, si Hakister. Hindi, joke lang. Kahit ako na. Hindi. Kahit sino. Tapos, bigyan nyo lang ng pampadulas, guys. Yan. Kunyari, mag-aanap kayo ng ka-deal. Kasi hindi ako sure kung Tsaka ingatan nyo yung pera nyo kasi pinaghirapan nyo yun, guys. Be smart enough na, alam nyo yun, na hindi kayo magoyo kasi pinaghirapan nyo yung pera nyo. So, wag na kayong, sabihin nyo na Zenny first talaga. Or, lapit na kayo sa streamer talaga na, Kosa, baka pwede kasi, minsan naman nasa mood ako. Pag wala sa mood, kailangan na may pampadulas. Pero minsan nasa mood naman ako. Sige, okay lang. Sige. Wala nang problema yun. Sige. Follow nyo lang yung mga stream ng mga streamer na yan. Puta, malaking bagay na yun sa kanila.
Okay. So,
viewing yan. Hindi hindi ako papasira kahit 100M pa yan, guys. Puta, payat pa yan. Yung mga nagdi-deal sa akin, guys, si Shato, nagpabenta yan, GOE. 200M yun.
Just be careful on what you're trying to say.
Zenny. Hindi siya binabenta, okay? Malinaw, guys, Zenny. 200M. Zenny ko siya nabenta. Ganon kami mag-transact. So, yung friend mo, magpapabenta, plus 9 GOE. Yung Garden of Eden ba yun? Yun, binabenta, plus 9. Tapos may isili.
That's really good. Wow.
Ipin mo, 200M.
I wish I also have that. I also wish I have that.
200M. Ayun, pinanggat siya yung 50M gagad. Si Raulo eh.
Did Shaton won?
Nakakuha naman siya ata ng yung bagong costume yun, yung bagong costume. May parang costume na pang Reyna Elena. Yan, yung parang pakpak ng pangsabong. Yun. Okay naman siya, guys. I suggest na walang masama sa pag-RMT, guys. Kung seller kayo or buyer, walang masama doon. Okay, walang masama doon. Okay. Go nyo lang. Basta wala kayong binabastos at natapakan na tao, hindi nyo naman. G lang yun, guys.
Yeah, also be careful about there's something like in Discord, there's some happening lately, like admin high is being impersonated, so be careful about that as well.
Ingat kayo, guys. Make sure nyo na yung kinakausap nyo na admin high is si admin high talaga.
Yeah.
Tanong nyo muna kung ano yung brief niya, kung ano. Send ka nga ng ganon. Send ka CLP na hawak mo yung brief mo, ganon.
Yeah, did you try to do that? Actually?
Siyempre, ano ka ba? Wala na akong trabaho.
Step on me.
I'm
on grass is saying step on me, please, but in a weird way, but is there any other like additional information, tips, tricks that you want to give to newbies and pros alike?
Ito kasi for newbies, guys, na nagtatanong ng presyo ng isang item. Lagi to. Kosa, magkano ba yung ganyan? Kosa, magkano ba yung ganon? Guys, ganito gawin nyo. Unang-una nyo gawin, mag-buying kayo sa market. Okay? For example, bibili kayo ng, let's say, Kukre card na lang. Ang pinakagagawin ninyo is mag-buying kayo ng Kukre card. Tapos hintayin nyo may mga 3 mag-reply dyan. Eh di nandun na yung pinaka-range nung mismong sagot para sa binibenta nyo. Kunyari, for example, bibenta kayo ng naghahanap kayo ng presyo ng Valkyrie Shield. Ganito gawin nyo. Buying Valkyrie Shield. Ilagay nyo sa market. Buying Valkyrie Shield. Hindi kayo ng mga 4 na magre-reply sa inyo.
Okay.
Hintayin 4. Tapos lahat ang reply nyo pass. O, di may meron ka na ng presyo nun. Nakuha nyo na yung pinaka... At tips lang to guys, pero effective siya.
Yeah, that's true. That's actually true.
Effective yun, guys. Napaka-effective nun kasi makikita mo talaga yung offer nung lahat ng players.
No offer, no reply.
Hindi, wag na ma-reply nyo naman. Napakabastos nyo naman. Yung reply nyo, okay po. Sige po,
No, I
ipon
mean,
muna.
if there's no offer, you're not gonna reply. Either way.
Oo.
But you carry the guilt.
Hindi, wag ka lang mag-auto-pass. Siyempre, mag-ano ka lang muna. But you carry the guilt. Hindi naman, nagtanong ka lang naman ng presyo eh.
Thank you po, mag-iisipan ko po, like that.
Oo, thank you po. Isipan ko po. Thank you po, ipon muna ako. Kulang pa po. Mga ganyan. Alam nyo naman yung mga rasunan na yan eh.
You still get the guilt though. But
Hindi naman. Kaya naman, guilt kagad kayo. I don't know. I did not play it. You go there.
thank you po, tanong ko muna sa asawa ko. That's actually true. Yeah.
Ayun,
So,
isa pa yun.
Any
Tanong nyo muna
other
sa asawa nyo.
any other additional things that you wanna know?
Hindi yun importante yun guys. Malaking tulong yun kung hindi nyo talaga alam yung presyo. Ganun din ako minsan.
You speak in English if you talk to Paul.
Oo nga eh.
But not to the community, not to us. How
Wala,
dare you?
hindi. Kay Paul lang dapat.
Okay. Let's try to wrap this up. Like, is there anything that you want to say to the community? To the community of your community actually. GU came and the Shaton came. Like, I remember like, yeah, they're not usually here. Yeah.
Masasama ugali niyan yung si Gio tsaka si Shaton. Tangina yan, buwang yan.
Is that your message to your community?
Oo. Si Shaton tsaka si Gio, tangina, ba't di kayo pumupunta kay Shin?
No, it's not about it. I'm saying like,
Pasama ng ugali nyo.
do you have any like
Hindi,
message to the
thank you
community?
guys sa lahat ng nanonood, no? Sa stream ko kasi napaka-solid ninyo. Lalo na yung mga nagla-like and share tsaka nagsa-subscribe, mga ganun. Huwag na kayong mag-subscribe pala sa Facebook ko, guys. Real talk yun.
Yeah,
Yung
that's true, actually.
yung sa Facebook ko kasi hindi ko alam kung makukuha ko pa yun. Tsaka yung stars, wag na. Direktan
change
nyo na
your
sa
Twitch name to
Gcash
what?
ko. Okay?
King Will's game. No, I cannot do that anymore. To
Si
be honest,
Ghost di nga nanonood sa akin.
I'm tempted to, but I shouldn't.
Paano ba? Bakit ba ako hindi nanonood kay Hackister? Tangina kasi English eh.
You can use 5,000 points on Hackister to force Hackister to talk in Tagalog though. Or is it Bisaya? I forgot. Kingswell game, but yeah.
Hindi,
Yeah.
joke lang Hackister. Sira ulo ka, ang hirap ng may 3 server. Baliw kayo.
Yeah, I'm
Hindi
actually
ko
surprised
naman
that.
talaga.
Wait,
To be honest, guys.
yeah.
Mahirap pag may pamilya ka tapos streamer ka. Mahirap. Akala nung iba, hindi maglalaro ka lang. Guys, hindi. Hindi. Pag 3 taon nyo 5 taon nyo nang ginagawa, hindi siya ganun na, hindi maglalaro ka lang naman. Hindi, guys.
Oh, but you have an additional baby, which is your dog.
Oh, may aso pa ako, di ba? Wala. Suplado na yan. Nakabili na ng aso.
You're
Mura.
just that giga chad of a person. You want more responsibilities.
Mali nga eh, tol eh. Taina, ang gagawin ko na lang dapat dito sa bahay is maghatid sundo na lang ng bata eh. Nagkaroon pa ako ng isa dito.
Walk the dog. Are you walking your dog? Like
Hindi pa
eating
siya
the dog,
pwede.
walking the dog.
Hindi siya pwede eh.
Yeah, but it's
Kasi
gonna be
nga,
painful.
uso yung parvo eh.
Yeah.
So hindi, tsaka baby pa to eh. Mukha lang siyang matandang aso na, pero 5 months lang to.
Yeah. It's already big, but yeah, it will be bigger. I understand that. But yeah. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Do you have any like suggestion on who to interview next? Like who to talk to next?
Wait. Sino ba? Sino ba
Yung leg
maganda
session.
interview? Tapos na si Hackster, no?
Hackster is done, yeah.
Okay,
And then
Hackster. Sino ba?
Renmark,
Gusto ko
yeah.
yung madaldal din eh. Pero,
Yeah. Do you have any suggestion? And I can like message them?
Try mo sino ba? Sinong papaisip ako eh.
Si Rara. Hey, Rara? Rara, right? The one that is a teacher?
Si Rara.
Yeah.
Pwede rin naman. Actually, maganda siya interviewin mo lahat.
Yeah, but I plan to interview everyone, but do you have any suggestion on like certain person?
Sino ba?
Yeah, I can actually do that. Roulette the Facebook and Twitch. I can do that, but I don't have the list for the streamers yet.
Putang dami kasi nun, 60 yun eh. No?
Yeah, we already like 70 streamers, and like my friend and like my friends are also gonna want to be a streamer. So
sino? Like
my friend Jazzy is already applied, but is waiting for admin high. Yeah, admin highs. Yeah, and I think Larian, Nani's friend as well.
Teka,
my
pre,
friend as
mga
well.
ano yan?
Yeah.
Mga galing ano?
Jazzy is Filipina, but
galing Vestige?
Jazzy is Vestige, yes. And other than Jazzy, Valerian is a friend of Nani, and is a new player. Doesn't know how to play Ragnarok Online, but wants to try Ragnarok Online. The other one is Iza, which is a Malaysian. So Valerian is I think Indonesian, and the Iza is a Malaysian. So basically, there's like a lot of people wants to stream. Like slowly, it's being international. You were just waiting for admin's high approval for those people, but yeah, I don't know. Rara is. I want to ask Rara as well. That's true.
Pero nanukuha ka ng yung mga nag-i-English kasi para hindi siya.
I can ask Snub as well.
Sino ba yung mga nag-i-English, guys? Yun lang yung mga ko, hindi na ako magbibigay ng names. Sana yung susunod is yung nag-i-English naman para Tagalog, tapos English, tapos Tagalog, English na lang ulit.
Okay.
Okay, so yun. I suggest na yun, yung nag-i-English din.
Yeah, I tried to talk to Nani though. I tried to talk to Nani, but it seems like it's not gonna work out for now. Because it's too unhinged. It's too unhinged. Like I have to delete my stream if I do that. But yeah, I can actually ask Anegs. I can ask Christian.
No. Si Anegs.
I can ask. I'll try to message Anegs, and maybe I'll also try to ask Rara or Snub or Hans.
Si Anegs, guys, kasi sila Anegs ang alam kong sila yung may ngayon, mainit sila sa dance floor ngayon. Sila ang lagi yung guild nila yung laging nagkakainitan dun sa agawan ng ng Biolabs.
Oh, really? They're fighting in Biolabs right now?
Pagkakaalam ko, sila yung guild na yun na laging yung
8700? 8700. Yeah. It's Peggy. It's Peggy. Okay.
Ang may init sa dance floor. So, kung may ma-interview ka na isa doon, di ba? It's a hot topic.
Okay, we can talk about that, I guess. But I also want to talk about like War of Imperium. So maybe not really sure who focuses on that.
War of Imperium.
I know Bratpat is from English, right?
So Bratpat. or
Pakistan can also be
try mo si
asked, I guess, but
Mike, Magic Mike.
Magic Mike? Does Magic Mike also play in War of Imperium?
Hindi, siya ang shoutcaster.
Shoutcaster. Well, I can ask it. Oh yeah, I can also do that.
Para
Yeah,
meron
yeah.
kayong topic regarding sa WoE.
Yeah,
Kasi siya
yeah.
yung shoutcaster ng mga
that's okay.
events. So, yun. Pwede din. Tapos, sa ano naman, ay, hindi, try mo pala, try mo yung, may sasuggest pala ako si Kabols. Interviewin mo yun. Kabols. Si Kababahagyan. Kababahagyan.
Kababahagyan, the one who did GTRP?
Yung naghuhubad ng short. Yan.
Wait, does he stream in
stream
Pinas? Even now? I haven't seen it.
Kasi si Raulo yun.
Why do you mean si Raulo?
Si Raulo yun. Basta, yun ang interviewin mo. Highly suggested pala yun, pre.
Okay.
Kalimutan mo na yung English na yun. Promise.
Does the community agree with that? Like, should I...
Pag interview mo,
yeah.
Promise. Interviewin mo yun, gawa ka ng post mo.
Yeah.
Puta,
let me message them then. I'll try to message Anegs. I'll try to message Rara and Kababayaghan.
Pero suggest ko ba pwede ka unahin ko buwag.
Yeah, okay. I'll try to message.
Promise
only on Facebook, right? Facebook?
Kahit sa Discord message mo, magre-reply naman yun.
Is it the same?
Wait naman yun.
IGN? Discord? Okay. Let me message.
Promise, magiging yun. Masaya yung stream mong yun.
Okay. Got it. Then let's try to do that then. And yeah. So are you gonna be streaming later?
Baka.
Are you gonna be streaming like soon? Right now? So I can like send the viewers to you as well?
Hindi pa. May bubuelo pa.
Oh, okay. Also, Dread, can you also be in the future? Like, can I also do an interview with you, Dread?
Dread, ikaw, tinanong ka na, Dread. Si Dread, mo pala.
Magkakat na siya ng Stapo. Yeah, you should.
Sabi kayo sa akin sa Stapo, ha.
You should.
Nagaputa, pag ako nakakuha ng Stapo, lahat kayo, puta, post ko talaga sa page sa lahat ng social media ko, puta, hanggang Discord ng RO Pinas.
Dibdiba ng questions dyan pag kay Dread. Yeah.
Unang tanong nyo kay Dread ko, ilang taon siya, guys?
Ilang taon?
Yeah.
Okay. I need to ask some questions then. Let me take a break for a week and then let's see what will happen for the next week. So yeah, I think that's gonna be it. Do you have any final message for the people?
And thank you guys thank you rin kay Shin sa pag-invite sa akin and sa community ng lahat ng RO Pinas. Alam ko naman more on RO Pinas tong nandito. So maraming salamat. Follow niyo ako sa FB yan. Kaya sa Twitch kung naka-live din tayo.
Fansign ko sa? Thank you, Semi.
Wala akong...
Yes, Semi. Please.
Nandito si Semi.
Let's do some podcast next time as well.
Next time, pag yung podcast about kay Semi is about sa mga builds or characters.
Yeah. We can do that as well. If Semi is good with it. So yeah. Can you also be with me for the giveaway?
Sige, saan?
Okay, let's do the giveaway now. It's not a roulette though.
Ibang character gamit ko kasi to naka-pilot yung character ko.
Thank you, Sammy. Yeah. No, it's okay. You can just join me in this giveaway. I'm just gonna draw it right now.
Sige lang.
If anyone wants to join the giveaway right now, use your 250 points redeem reward a ticket/gift box giveaway and type your IGN there. Who is finishing? Is there any other Twitch streamer that is finishing right now? Sir, I can raid you later.
Turn lang.
Is there another Twitch streamer right now?
Hindi, si Hackster daw, ano pa siya, ongoing pa
Yeah,
rin.
I'm gonna raid Hackster later then. But yeah.
Raid na lang natin si Hackster.
Yeah.
Tangina, tigas ang Hackster.
But give love to Renmark. Follow his Facebook page and Twitch. And I think
give love on Christmas Day.
Give love on Christmas Day. When kaya mag-Facebook reveal? Maybe next year. I'm thinking about next year. But
sisend ko na lang sa inyo guys yung picture ni Shin.
That's not my recent face though. That's not my recent face.
Guys, magkakaroon tayo ng face reveal ni Shin sa live ko.
Yeah, sure. Why not? Do you want to?
Joke lang.
I mean, you know my real account, so I'm not really...
Ilalabas ko yung Facebook ni Shin.
I mean, why not? But I'm just not showing my face because I really don't have any webcam. But
next time. Ilalabas ko yung Facebook ni Shin.
Yeah, I'm gonna ban you. I'm gonna report you to admin high.
Hindi ko pala siya pwede awayin. Tangina, alam niyo kung bakit. Personal email ko na kay Shin.
That's actually true.
Seryoso yun. Guys, seryoso yun. Ganun kami magka-close ni Shin. Yung mismo Facebook account ko, email ko, alam ni Shin. Personal email ko So, niya. Putang ina, so nakikita niya lahat. Bangko ko, pag may nag-i-email ng ano.
Yeah, I'm not checking it though. I'm not doing anything. I'm not looking at it at all. I just know. I owe you a fan sign? Sure, I'll do it next year. I'll put it on snow or something. Hackster. Anyway. Yeah, I can see the Viva Max subscription. That's true. I can also see that. I can see all the messages.
Malabo yan. Alam ni Shin yan.
Yeah, okay. Let's do the giveaway. Is there anyone left? Hackster is already here. Semi, if you haven't yet, if you want to join the giveaway, type your IGN. Napainom ng tubig. Yeah. Sweating all over. Wait, claim? No? maybe. Are you gonna join, Semi? For the giveaways?
Hindi, mayaman na yan
Okay, so let's ignore them?
Mayaman na yan, mayabang pa.
I haven't seen Semis like recently.
Kasi masyado siyang maliit, di mo nakikita.
What? Really? Really? I haven't seen Semi streaming, like posting the stream on the chat, like stream something. Oh, pilot service. Okay. do you want to join the giveaway? Use redeem your points. 250 points. Ticket/gift box giveaway. If you want to join the giveaway.
Kupal ka ba, boss? Ay, no. Bossing! Napaka yan. Sobrang busy mag-pilot service yan.
Yeah, it seems like Semi is busy. You should claim it on the... No. You should click the Paw logo. Are you using mobile or PC? It should be like bottom left of the chat. There's like bits or paw points, like paw logo there. Click that and look, scroll down. You can see like a ticket/gift box giveaway, which is 250 points. Click that and then type your IGN there. It should be there. There we go. Okay. Are you sure it's 3 eyes? Okay. Anyway. Okay. So let's draw. Let's draw it out. Let's see who will win. So right now, it's Infram Blue, Emon Grass, Hackster, Cypher, Godsmile, Jazzy Gaming, Aranak, Celtic Heart, Laughing Wizard Miwa, Gray, Spidita, Shaton, and Semi.
Nice, ang bilis pala din pag ganyan, no? Sana may ganyan sa Facebook, no?
So who is are you guys sure? Are you guys okay now? You're not gonna join Renmark? You sure?
Hindi na.
Okay, okay. You don't need that VIPers. You're too rich. Okay. Let's choose the winner.
Pinukupit ko lang kasi yun.
The first winner. Let's choose the first winner. Okay, okay. Renmark. I should do that for you though. Hold on. Let me put my let me apply for Renmark then. There we go. Let's go. Let's first winner is Miwa. Congratulations, Miwa. That's the first winner. What is your IGN?
Ano mo nakita yun?
I have a giveaway console on mine. I can give it to you if you want. I think you can do this even in Facebook. I think so. But I'm coding something for my own and I plan to share it for the...
For me lang. Huwag mo share sa lahat. Sa akin lang.
Okay, where's Miwa? Congratulations again to Miwa. Where are Stalker May? The one that I always see getting blue herb or something in what is it? Like in Mavka. Congratulations to you. Congratulations. Well done. Stalker May, are you sure? Right? Okay, congratulations. The next one is the second winner. Is it who's gonna be? Oh, it's Pidita Bonita, the one that who's watching Dota TI right now.
Grabe, isang buong araw nung nagfa-farm si ano.
Congratulations.
Fatex.
Yeah, I can see Fatex always. Like, that's true. Am I gonna use Stefano? Is it gonna be Stefano? No, I'm not using Nox, but I'm using better giveaways. I plan to show it next time.
Basher ka ng ano ah. Basher ka ng Noxbot ah.
I plan to share it next time. So, Super Shy? Okay, Super Shy. Hold on. Super Shy. No space, right? Okay. Congratulations to you, Pidita Bonita. Super Shy. And the last one. I wonder if you can give... Are you gonna be streaming today, Renmark? I wonder if you're allowed to like give the giveaways from you, but...
Hindi, okay.
Yeah. You can watch it next time.
Naka-code kasi ako.
Yeah, that's true. That's true. Okay. The last one. Let's see the last one. Yeah, stream that. Stream again the Stapo hunt. That might be a good idea to do. Like farm again. You can claim it at the Pinasol. The streamer supply NPC on the second floor. Go to the last choice, I think. Go to the Pinasol, second floor. Is this your first time, Miwa, as well? It's actually my first time as well, like yesterday from Nani's stream. Okay, let's do the last one. Aranak, congratulations. Aranak Sama. You win the last one. Congratulations. Sam Yang Ali. Hold on, let me copy that. Congratulations. And again, thank you to Renmark. Thank you so much for
thank you.
accepting
Anytime,
the invite. Shane. Thank you so much. I'm sorry to take a lot of your time, like more than 2 hours.
Anytime.
Scam? It doesn't work? I think you need to use Super Shy and talk to the... But yeah. I wish I can give like a 1M giveaway.
Dati, kaya no problem.
I hope I can give 1M giveaway in the future, but right now I cannot. But
pwede pag-giveaway ka.
You want to?
Oh, pag-giveaway ka.
I don't have anything. 1M.
Sige.
Okay, then we can, like, for those who are here, type your IGNs right now. And let me...
PM ko lang yung kapatid ko kasi nasa kanya
I can give it later to them, probably. Hold on. Let me try to make a... Is it Wheel Names? Wheel of Names? I think it's Wheel of Names. Yeah, hold on. It's lagging. Hold on. You can't claim. Maybe they said like you should... I don't know. Your name was there. I can try to report it to...
May pang fourth choice pa. I-scroll down niya pa.
Yeah, yeah.
Meron pa isa yan eh.
Type your IGNs and like so I can copy it. Cyper, X-Gray, Demi, Wagyu Cubes. Who else? Hackester, Samyang Pali. Who else is this one? Redmark's gonna give away a 1M. If you wanna join, just type your IGN. Let me actually just...
Bebenta pa akong gamit. Saglit lang.
Take your time. This Opera. Okay, Opera. Let me adjust it. No. I'm trying to fix it. Please type your IGN first. While I'm trying to fix it. You should be able to see it, right? Is it too big? Hold on. There we go. Yep. One more follower to 170. That's true, actually. Who else? Who's the name? Black Parade. Is it all caps? Black Parade. Who else? Who else wants to join the 1M giveaway from Renmark? Yeah, all caps Black Parade. No one? Nobody else? Joybox, Boyex, Pambingas, Abelgas. Chaton. They wanna include yourself here, Renmark? Just in case you want.
Mabawi ko lang, no?
Yeah.
Para mabawi. Sige nga, sali mo ako dyan. Sige nga, lagay mo ako dyan.
2M? Another 1M? Or is it like 2M? Like one give? One...
Totoo ba yan? 10M stone for giveaway? Tangina, malaki yan ah.
10M stone?
Tangina, 800k isa niyan. Grabe ka naman.
You can save it for your own...
Diba? Sasali ako dyan.
Is there anyone more? Any more? Right now, it's Hackester.
Shin.
Sorry? Oh, wait.
Padil. Para ibigay ko lang yung 1.
Are you gonna give it to me? Okay. Okay. Zenny? Okay. Trade. Is this Semi? Oh, it's 10 Mysterious Stone. What?
Ano is 10 Mysterious Stone, guys.
What?
Nasa 800k isa dyan, guys.
So how should I give it? How should I deal this?
Problema ka. Bahala ka.
Should I give it like 1M, then 2 each? How? What do you... All in? Okay, let's go with all in then. This is gonna be... This is gonna be... Who will win?
Hoy, sali mo ako dyan ha. May Mysterious Stone eh. Sali mo ako. Paano sumali? Teka. Paano sumali?
Okay, Sammy.
Teka.
You're already here. I added you.
Okay. Hindi, gagamit din ako. Baka mamaya sabihin, hindi ako nagbigay ng bits na.
Like, if you do... No, you don't need it. You just need to type the...
Okay.
IGN.
Ano ba? IGN lang.
If this is like full...
Okay, nasali ako sa Renmark.
It's here.
Sali ako, gagi.
It's here. Your name is here. Maybe I should even put my name here. But I won't.
Ang ina mo, Simi, pag ako hindi mo ako binibigyan
We can do that.
Buka.
Like how many mysterious stone do you use for like
Or
enchantment? I'm not really sure. Yeah, we can do that. 2M then 10 stones. So what do you think? Like like how do you enchant? I haven't enchanted yet.
Ay, hindi, ganito na lang.
Yeah, what?
Dalawang winner, tapos, ay, hindi. Pwede naman din yun.
We can actually do that as well. 2 winners and then spin again?
2 winners. Hindi, 2 winners. tig 1M, tapos tig 5 na M stones. Para mas dalawa yung manalo.
Yeah, okay. That's actually good. That's actually good. But how can you, like, I heard from Nani that you can adjust the time that it spins.
Sa settings.
How can you do it? Where's the settings?
Upper right ata. Meron ata sa upper right.
Upper right?
Sa taas.
Customize?
Oo, customize.
Customize?
Oo, customize.
During spin. 1 minute?
2 hours na game mo.
Okay. 2 hours? What?
2 hours.
Spin slowly. No. This should be good. Okay. So, let's do.
Spin time tapos volume. Ay, okay na yun.
Yeah. Spin time. I don't think the spin is like, I think I didn't put the audio for the browser. Miss Machi, are you joining? Okay. Hold on.
Laki ng premyo niyan. Umabot ng isipin mong 10
Isn't M stones are really good?
For siya enchantment tapos parang
wait, I clicked it.
May nagbabaying ng 600.
I clicked it already. Let's see. For the first winner. I clicked it.
Congratulations, Renmark. Let's go.
Oh my God. My eyes.
Guys. M-stone lang meron ako. Tangina, parang mas masarap nga ito si Raulo.
I got 2 M-stones today from the daily though. Oh, it's not gonna be semi. Oh, or is it? Is it? It like feel like it's gonna be semi.
Ayan na, ako na.
No, it's gray. Is it cyber? No, it's gray. It's not semi.
Wala ako.
Oh, gray. Congratulations to you, Gray.
Congrats.
I'll give it to you, but let's wait. Okay, it's Gray. It's Gray. It was still moving. So I really thought that. Okay, congratulations to you.
Congrats.
I'll trade it to you after this. So let's see who's next. Who's the lucky person? Congratulations, Gray. This wheel is so slick. Can you even see this wheel? I hope you can see. Can you see it? Can you see it?
Kita rin.
Okay. Wonder who is it? I swear if it's Renmark.
Hindi, pag ako, bigay mo yung 1M, pero akin yung M-stone.
Oh, okay. Okay, let's spin another one if you... Oh, wait. Is it gonna be Renmark? Oh, I think it's Mismatch. It's Mismatch. Wait. No, it's Mismatch.
Tama na!
Mismatch, no.
Mismatch nga.
We can't see the wheel, but we can see your face. Next year, Sammy. Congratulations.
Alam mo talaga yung tinakad Send ko na sa'yo mamaya yung picture na Shin.
Yeah, Semi knows. Actually, Semi knows. He just wants to show my face for some reason. But yeah, congratulations to you guys. And yeah, thank you to Renmark. Thank you to God Smile, and thank you to Semi for the giveaways. Thank you so much. So
thank you, Shin.
Yep.
Next time.
Yeah. Thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Maybe there's gonna be a next one after I circle through the streamers as well. And yeah, Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you
Thank you.
guys.
Bye-bye.
Follow kayo sa lahat ng streamers yan.
Yeah.
Maraming salamat.
Yeah.
Peace out.
Bye-bye.
Babush!
Thank you, Mark. Bye-bye. Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna trade to Miss Machi and Craig, go to Pinasol, but that's gonna be it. I am gonna raid Hackister. Let's raid Hackister. And please don't forget Cray and Miss Independent to trade me on the Pinasol. It's Shin Place. So yeah, that's gonna be it for me. Thank you for watching the podcast. Thank you for listening. And yeah, play Ragnarok Pinas. Thank you. And I'll see you probably tomorrow. Bye bye. Send love to Hackister and Renmark. Bye bye.